Hello everyone. In this revision, you are going to revise all the videos related to SAP end users. In multiple videos, I explained that when you go to SAP login, whatever the transactions you see under SAP Easy Access, the screen you can see on video, right? So this is SAP Easy Access. All the front-end transactions will be done by end users on a daily basis. But as a consultant, we should know how to use it, and we use during testing like unit testing or system integration testing, but in real time we don't use these transactions. So until in special cases only you use it. We do the setup in SPRO, and the front end, whether it is SAP Easy Access or in case of S4HANA, that is Fury apps. So the end user things, I hope this revision will give you an idea that what are the different transactions available for end users. And during job search also, you don't find something like SAP end user. Mostly you will see like a purchasing officer, purchasing clerk, or store clerk, stores officer, or inventory clerk, warehouse manager, warehouse executive. So those are all end users only. So the people who work in a business, in a manufacturing company or a service company or a courier company or an insurance company, any kind of a business, the employees who are working as part of their work, and they use SAP as an ERP system to do their regular operations, those are called end users. Enjoy learning, and if you any of your friends have confusion what is SAP end user, what exactly the transaction, these videos you can share. Happy learning and thank you.
Answer one is purchasing vendor. Here we can maintain only purchasing details. And the sanity vendor, there we can maintain the both purchasing and accounting, and also the general data. Anyway, it will be common for all. Okay, the first I will show you that where we can maintain the only screens. I will explain you, and first I will teach you how to create a central vendor. For accounting vendor, we have to come to this navigation. Otherwise, it will be available in our material management itself. Let me show you that material management because we are more focused on that. Logistics, then material management, and then purchasing, then go to master data, and then vendor. Here we have purchasing vendor, central means central vendor. Okay, I will show you that the purchasing view and accounting view later. We will create the vendor at the central, because central will cover you the both purchasing and also the accounting. Okay, now we go to central vendor creation. The transaction is XK01. Double click on that. Then see here the system is asking for a vendor number and the company code and the purchasing organization and the account group. Okay. If you want to create with reference to any old vendor, then we can give the reference, old vendor number and company code and purchasing organization. If you are creating a fresh one without any reference, then we can give these details. If it is internal number, this vendor number will be, we have to keep it as a blank, and company code we have to give, and the purchasing organization we have to give, and our account group. What is our account group? By clicking on F4 we can search, because we only have selected, right, ZTV1, test vendor group, and we have selected that external number range. That's why we have to give manually. Otherwise, if you forgot and if you want to try to create, just click on enter. See, system is giving this. Account group ZTV1 uses external number assignment. Specify an account number. Because we have given external, system cannot create the number automatically because we have selected the external number range. That's why we have to give manual. How you want to give? We can give anything like VT test 01. We can write anything. Then enter. See, while creating a central vendor, system is asking for both company code and purchasing organization, because it is going to create the both accounting data and also the purchasing organization data. You will see the difference when I explain about accounting vendor and purchasing vendor. See, now this screen is appeared after you gave the details. The same as material master and all. Here we can see one icon. For fields which are having icon, those are mandatory fields. Remaining blank fields are optional fields. Means without the blank fields also, system will save you the vendor, but you have to give input for these fields. Otherwise, system will throw that message, enter that respective region. Okay. See here the title, whether it is a company or Mr. or whatever it is, we have to select. It's a company, and we can give like GK, group of companies. If you want to have additional names and all also we can give, because we have an option, additional name also we can write. Search term. The search term will be useful to when you are searching for thousands of vendor. If you want to search what kind of search term you want to use to get that vendor, we can give like GKGC. If you give GKGC as a search term, it will give you that vendor name. And street or house number we can give like Gandhi Street, Gandhi Street. House number we can have like something as 143. Postal code if we have we can give 532440. City we can show the country IN we can select also. The region means what state it comes under. Andhra Pradesh, AP. Here there are certain additional details like fax. What is the fax? You can give 75671 and mail ID test@gmail.com. What is the communication method? Generally, what is the main communication for the internet, fax and all? You can give internet email. Internet email is the best option when you are having this automatically mail to vendor. We have functionality in SAP after creation of PO, and after once the PO is released, automatically that PO PDF, whatever the PO PDF will be generated, right? That layout print, that automatically it should go to the mail ID which is mentioned in the vendor master. For this mail ID, the PO will be automatically sent. That's why the standard communication method will be useful at that time. And here you can see some plus symbols here, right? If you click on any plus symbol, you will have some additional fields if you want to write more. Here also, certain things will have a very lengthy address, right? Like street 4, street 3, and many details will be there. Street 4, additional details if you want to capture, we can capture here. The same here also. Okay, for like other country, PO box region, any additional details. Here also there is one more option, other communication. Any other email and whatever you want to give, those things also we can select here. If you want to have a different type of 2-3 mail IDs, if you want to maintain, here we can maintain here. But this is overall. Then click on enter. System will take you to the next screen. This is the you can see the control data. That is first one is general letters data, then is control data. Here we can have according to the requirement, like what kind of information, tax number, if they have any tax number and authorization number, all those details we can maintain here. And go to next screen. This is the payment transactions. As I told you that in general data only we contain this all the details. What is the bank account of that vendor? Who is the account holder? All these we can maintain here. For example, country IN, you can say bank key and bank account. We can maintain something. And account holder is Ganesh. We can have these details also. See the bank name, HDFC Bank. Region is 01 Street, MG Road, Visakhapatnam. We can have the details and everything we can maintain here. These are all bank details of that respective vendor. Then click on enter. We have to just click enter, it will go to that next level. This is the contact persons, like who are the contact persons for this vendor. When you order a material to that vendor, how many people are there to contact? For example, the company manager and the company sales depot manager and the people who are the main point of contacts, all those details can be maintained here. Then next click on enter. Now we came to accounting details. See, accounting information, account. Till now what details we have given, the bank details, the control, everything will be given there. And in accounting data, now we maintain this reconciliation account. See, it's a mandatory field. Reconciliation account, we can just click on F4. Here you can see the different reconciliation account. This is completely FA part, accounting data. Therefore, people can understand more compared to us. Like what kind of reconciliation, let's see, trade payable, foreign, trade payable, domestic. You want to payable account, right? You want to pay the amount, what kind of down payments you want to make, secure bank loans, what kind of reconciliation GL account. You can, as I told you, that the reconciliation account is almost acting as a GL account for a vendor. Here what we select, we can select anything like the trade payable domestic. For example, if you are a domestic vendor, we can select this reconciliation account. And here the cash management group means the planning group. What kind of planning group we have, like domestic payments or foreign payments or any rent. What kind of, for example, domestic payment we are doing, we can select this domestic payment. Remaining all are optional fields. According to requirement, we can select it. For example, sort key. What is exactly the sort key means? We can select like assignment number, posting date, financial year. They will have how to sort this vendor according to the posting date or assignment number. Those things we can give here. Here important fields are, one is cash management group and then the reconciliation account. The main thing is reconciliation account. Then click on enter. See, here I told you, right, like the payment terms, what kind of payment terms. Here also we can give, and also we have purchasing data also. First one is payable immediately due net. We have to, once we receive the goods, we have to pay immediately. And then another terms, within 14 days you will get 3% cash discount, within 30 days 2%, within 45 days if you pay, you have to pay the entire amount. Like that we have many things. If we select this 0002, that will happen. Okay, invalid payment methods. Okay, there are configuration settings, also certain payment methods are not possible. That also we can decide at the company code level. Okay, we can select the payment tube also. So dunning is a separate process in accounting. If the dunning they want to maintain, then they maintain these details. Otherwise, we can ignore. Finally, our important purchasing data, where we involve more. What is the currency? We can maintain here INR, and the terms of payment. The same terms of payment I told you, right? We can maintain here. And Incoterms. These are the Incoterms which are provided by the government, like costs and freight, cost insurance. It's like who will pay the insurance and who will pay the cost of, for example, while a truck is coming to customer place, in between there was an accident was happened and 80% of the goods was damaged. who will pay that insurance, who has paid that insurance, and who will pay that losses. All those terms and conditions are given by the national government. Those are called Incoterms. Incoterms means international commercial terms. And from free freight and transportation will be free. And then if you see that details and all, we can come to know what exactly the details. And also in SAP we have a facility. For example, if you don't know about Incoterms, you want to know what exactly Incoterms, just select that field and click on F1. Once you click on F1, you will get the documentation for that. See, Incoterms. Commonly used trading terms that comply with the standards established by the International Chamber of Commerce. See that Incoterms were given by commonly used trading terms that comply with the standards established by the International Chamber of Commerce. The International Chamber of Commerce (ICC) has provided Incoterms. Incoterms specify certain internationally recognized procedures that the shipper and the receiving party must follow for the shipping transactions to be successfully completed. Means, as I mentioned earlier, if you are buying a goods, we should agree that what kind of Incoterms we are agreeing for buying that material. In between, there is a loss is happening. Who will going to pay? Other initial insurance, who is going to pay? All those things will be decided as per the Incoterms. Okay. And also you can see here there is a example they have given. If goods are shipped through a port of departure, through port, the appropriate Incoterm might be FOB, free on board. You can provide further details. Like, for example, the name of the port in the secondary Incoterms, FOB Boston, for example. See what is saying, like you can select the different Incoterms which was already available. SAP standard has provided, because these are the guidelines. For example, this year ICC has provided 2 more new Incoterms that will be incorporated in this system. We have given like 6 FOB, free on board. If you select the free on board, we can give like Vizag port. Like that we can give the, if you see that Incoterm in Incoterms Wikipedia and all, you will get who will pay the insurance, what percentage we will pay. Each Incoterm is having that significance. And one more important, minimum order value. If you maintain like minimum order, you should have like 5,000 bucks. If you give, you cannot create a PO less than 5,000. And the most important, schema group vendor. Here, if you select here, we have like pricing vendor and domestic, import. Like if you want to have different pricing procedures, which pricing procedure is applicable for your vendor? This will decide which pricing procedure has to come automatically during creation of PO. You will understand this importance of the schema group vendor when we discuss about pricing procedure and all. Okay. Reminding all are okay. And here see that who is a salesperson, what is the telephone number of the salesperson. These details also we can maintain here. And GR based invoice verification, this tick mark be active. This is important. For example, when you buy a goods, without GR, invoice should not be done. For example, after the completion of GR, only the stock will come to your warehouse, then we do the invoice verification. That's why if you activate this, system won't allow you to do the direct invoice verification. First, goods should be received at the stores, then only we can do the invoice verification. And it is automatic PO also. If you activate this flag, then only this vendor can be used for auto PO creation. Otherwise, this vendor won't be eligible for auto PO. Remaining all are okay. You can slowly learn what the important fields and all. Service based. How this is goods received for materials, right? Like that for service also. If you activate that, you can have like first you have to enter the service. For example, you have given a service of 10,000 square feet painting. First you have to receive like entry we have to done, how much physically it is done, we have to verify. Then only you have to send that invoice to finance department to do the invoice verification. That's it. Here there is one more called confirmation control. It's not a mandatory field, but just I'm giving, like, we have confirmation controls like inbound delivery, rough goods received. There are different confirmations here. Rough goods received, inbound delivery. Before goods received, if you want to have any confirmation controls, then we can assign this confirmation control to vendor here. Then click on enter. This is a partner functions, like as I told you, like for a partner you can maintain like who is the goods supplier and who is the invoice party. For example, if you create a vendor for only goods supplier, then you can assign this partner here. Invoice party can be assigned as a partner. If you create invoice party as a vendor, the other goods supplier can be assigned as a partners. You can see, for example, you create a vendor for this is the vendor you created as invoice party. At that time, you can assign different partners as a goods suppliers. Because of that, what will happen when you receive a goods from a goods supplier, when you do the invoice verification, system only will propose you all the partners which are mentioned here. That is the importance. That is the partner functions importance. Now you can save it. This is the vendor master creation. This is the central vendor. As we have created central vendor, it has covered both the accounting vendor and also the purchasing vendor. If you know this creation of central vendor, then you can easily create a purchasing vendor and accounting vendor, because this is a combination of those both, right? For example, if it is having some 10 fields, 20 fields, if it is having, the purchasing data will have some 10, accounting data might have some 10. That's why it will be easy for you to complete that activity. Now you can see here the vendor btest01 has been created. Now come back.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button. You will see at the bottom of the video, and click on subscribe button, and if you click on this bell icon, you can give all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification immediately, so that you don't have to miss any of my new videos. And see, once you watch the video, if you really like the video and the content is helpful for your learning, don't forget to click on the like button. That will encourage to the YouTuber, not only myself, any videos. You may watch some ABAP videos, you may watch some S4HANA videos, any kind of videos on the YouTube. You just hit a like. It takes 1 second of your time, but it helps a lot with the person. And you can use this share button. You can use the share button to share with Telegram or Facebook or any kind of social networks. And if you see this description, in the description, you can check my different playlists. Okay, I mentioned all the purchasing, inventory management, discussion, WM videos. So you can use this playlist to check my videos, and you can update your skills. Thanks for your time. All the best for your future endeavors.
Master data, then source list. See, here we have one T code, ME01 is a maintain, and there is no creation or change, it's just a maintaining activity. ME03 is for display, and same as ME04 is for changes. How we have seen, like, what are changes happen. This is a report, there is only one report, ME0M. You can see the list of source list for respective material. Okay. See, source list maintain. Source list will have one material and plant. Initial screen, just go there. Here you can see respect to fields like valid from and to. From that source list is valid from which date to which date. We can give like 1 year. For which vendor you want to have this source list, you can select that vendor under your purchasing organization. Okay, for this vendor, what is your purchasing organization? Okay, and this not a means like what is the procurement plant, which plant you are going to procure. If you have any contract, fixed contract, that also we can give here. Here you can see the fixed indicator and blocked indicator. If you click this fixed indicator, the vendor will be as a fixed one. And second thing is this is MRP relevant field. When you use MRP, you will come to know like whether it is the relevant MRP or not relevant MRP. Those things we can give here. Here, for your simple understanding of a source list, what are the important fields? We have a valid from and valid to, and for which vendor, for which purchasing organization, and whether it is a fixed or blocked. These details we give here. Okay. And also there is a one more important thing is there, like whenever you want to create a source list, info record for that source list is a mandatory. Okay, for which vendor we have created the info record. For that vendor only we have to create a source list. Without info record, system won't allow you to create the okay. Without info record, system won't allow you to create a source list. These are the important fields like valid from, valid to for this vendor. If vendor is a fixed. Okay, that's it. Save. Changes also you can do in the same way, like what is the document field and all those things. Supplying and receiving plans are identical. If you want to give any details, if you want to change, for example, you want to keep it as an indicator, record relevant to MRP, save. 03 is display, that's it. 04 changes, the same way like what changes we have done. See, we have changed the source list. Record relevant MRP, we have changed it from blank to so this use of info record or this use of source list, you will come to know when we create PO and all. Now if I go directly to creation of PO and all, you may not understand what exactly the pre-PO creation and all. Just remember the uses of info record and uses of source list. When I explain the procurement activities, I will show you the importance of this info record, how price is coming from info record, and if you click block indicator in source list, how okay, material management, logistics, material management, then purchasing, then master data. Here you can see the info record. Okay, in info record, go to info record. Here we can see the ME11 is the transaction code for creation, ME12 is for change, ME13 is for display, and ME14 for changes. What are the changes happened for info record? After you have created info record, we have gone to ME12 and made some changes. We have changed some tolerance limits, or whatever, we have made some changes. Those changes we can see. And also ME15 is for flag for deletion. When do we use this deletion? For example, you created an info record for material 1 and vendor 1. Okay. Then what you have done for that respect to info record you don't want to use for further processes and all, then you can keep the deletion flag. You don't delete that respect to one. If you keep deletion flag, it will be inactive. Always this displays will be a reporting purpose. If you want to see the list of info records by giving a vendor, this decode by giving material. These are all reports. You will come to know slowly once we learn how to create an info record. Okay. The first we go to info record creation, ME11. See that creation of info record screen contains the initial screen as vendor number, material number, and the purchasing organization and plant. That info record we will get the number automatically. Here you can see this info category. There are 4 type of categories are there. Info records, the standard, which we use mainly the standard for all standard procurements we use standard info record. Okay. Standard is the main one for all general procurements we use standard. And coming to, we have another one is subcontracting. Subcontracting is we have a special procurement called subcontracting. You will come to know what exactly subcontracting process when we discuss about subcontracting procurement. Okay. Subcontracting means we give the components to the vendor, and vendor will prepare the finished good and he will give it to you. That kind of subcontracting procurement is there. For that we use the subcontracting one. And pipeline and consignment, there are several different procurements are there. I will explain in detail when we go to the special procurement topic. Now we will learn how to create a standard info record. Here we have to give the vendor, for example, the purchasing organization is 1000. We can select any vendor. Okay. And the material, I think we have created certain materials here. Plant material by description. I'm giving my plant. I will get the list of materials of my plant. Okay, I will select this material and the purchasing organization, and this is my plant. Okay, I will keep my plant and all. Then click on enter. Okay, it is saying see the 1313 not maintained by purchasing. We have to select the material which is having the all the views. Okay. In front of you only we can create a new material. That material we can use for our activities. This is the material one, and okay. This is our material type. Industry sector, we can do any industry. Manufacturing. We will select the basic data, purchasing, general plan data, accounting. The important fields I have just selected. Our plant is 1000, and storage location we can give. Storage location can give like select any storage location under our plant. test raw material based on measure kg, and you can select any one material group. Old material number may be old RM. External material group, if you have anything, we can select. Division 01. Purchasing group. Automatic PO. What are the important fields if you want to have, we can select it. The valuation class, which is plastic. Moving average price, we can give, we have what is the price of the material. That's it. Material is going to be created. This is the basic material creation. What we have done. This is our material number. Now I will go to info record creation. This is our material. The plan is a vendor. Our material, new material. This is our purchasing organization. This is our plant. Now click on enter. System will take you to the next screen. See here that any vendor data, if you want to have, we can maintain here. Whether he is a regular vendor or a new vendor, these details also we can have. Here the important details are not much. Go to next screen. Here you will have plan delivery time. What is the plan? Within how many days you will give the material? For example, 10 days. And what is standard quantity? I mean, generally, what is the standard quantity used to order? We can give 100. And also we can keep the minimum quantity. With this vendor, for this material, always you should order at least 50 kg. If you order below 50 kg, there will be a loss. For example, the vendor will give 50 kg to more than 50 kg. Okay. More than 50 kg only, you will give the delivery charge as a free. Such type of offers you might have, then you can keep minimum quantity as a 50. Then no one can order below 50 to that vendor. Like that, we can keep what exactly the minimum quantity and all. And here the GR based invoice verification and all the details we can fix it up. And the tolerance also. For example, if you are having 100 quantity you are ordering, whether you can receive 95 is okay or 105 is okay, 5% tolerance. That details also you can maintain here. And the price also. Each 1 kg, what is the price? This price will come automatically when you create a PO from this info record. If you have any Incoterms like free on board, such type of any Incoterms also we can give here for that vendor and material. That details will come automatically. Go to the next screen. Here you can write any info record memo details and all. Pure text also you can give like purchase order text. These details will come to the in PO when you create it. And go to this conditions tab. See the gross price we have given each 1 kg as 20 rupees, right? Like that, if you want to have any other conditions like, for example, freight, you want to have what is the percentage of freight? Always freight is 5% with this vendor. These details also we can give. And see this valid from and to date is there. Here we can give the validity for that respective info record. For example, this info record is valid from 13/4 to 13/04/2017. Okay. Then this prices everything will work till this valid to only. The later you have to change. Otherwise, these details won't be useful and this won't reflect in the PO. Okay. These all details we can have, and there are certain things like scales and all. There are different options are there. What is the use of the scales and all? You will learn slowly once you understand what exactly info record. The scales means, for example, in case of retail and wholesale prices, when you buy, there are certain offers like 1 to 100, the price is 10 rupees, and 101 to 500, the price is 8 rupees, and 501 to 1000, the price is 7 rupees. Like that, when companies, when vendor is giving such type of offers, SAP has provided this option of scales. With this scale, we can have details like how the price can vary. For example, I will show you. I think in the initial stage you may feel a bit confused, or that's why you don't try the scales at this point of time. Once you get some command, then you go with scales. See, for example, I will give the scales for price, select that condition type of price, and click on scales. See how scales will work. From, for example, from 1. From 1, the price is 20 USD. And then from 101, the price is 18. Or you can give 19. And from 1001, the price is 18. What we have understood here, the scales are given like from 1 means 1 to 100, because we have given next level here as 101. 1 to 100, the price is 20. When you create a PO, if you give the quantity as 150, then price 19 will come in PO. When you give the price quantity as 1000, more than 1000, then the price 18 will come automatically. These are the scales which are given by SAP. When vendor is giving such type of offers to you, if you buy more, get less price. At that point of time, we can use the scales option. Okay. Then go to this overview, item overview. Then save. Now info record is created. See, go to change. In change, that info record directly we can give, or system also we can give the details and all. We can directly give, or with that combination also it will come. In info record we can change like what are the tolerances, 5% is under delivery and 5%. And save. If you want to change any details, we can go to change, display. Also will be same. Like here we cannot change anything. We just see the details like, okay, standard quantity is 100 and minimum quantity is 50 and price is 20. Like that we can give. This is just a display. And here the changes, you can see what are changes happen to the respective info record. For example, info record, if you remember, we can give that info record number. This is our info record number. You can give the info record number and select. Just click on execute. Then you can see what are the changes you have done. See, on April 13 at 12:58 you have done 2 changes. One is tolerance limit you have changed to old value 0 and new value is 5. Like that, what are the changes are done for the respective info record can be seen by using the T code ME14. Okay. And then T code is ME15, flag for deletion. As I told you, we can keep an info record deletion flag. For example, complete info record, we can delete it. We can delete. Otherwise, we can delete for only the purchasing organization. Means the same info record can be used for other purchasing organizations. It will work. But if you select this option, it will be deleted only for 1000. Okay. Or not like that. For example, there is a purchasing data is there and complete info record is there. Then if you want to complete info record, if you want to delete it, Then you have to click on Complete Info Record.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a confirmed picking. We have done the picking, and picking is confirmed against an outbound delivery, and TO is also confirmed. Then you want to reverse that respective confirmation. How to do that? As we know that once the TO is confirmed, we cannot cancel the transfer order. Okay. In case of delivery, we have a transaction code which can reverse the respective confirmation, picking confirmation. That we are going to see that what are the steps involved and how we are going to perform. Let us create a delivery against a sales order first to initiate our transaction. I will create an outbound delivery with reference to a sales order, and then we are going to create a transfer order and then confirmation of transfer order. Then we'll see how to reverse the picking confirmation. Okay. We know that VL01N, like create outbound delivery VL01N, then create TO LT03, then confirm TO LT12, later LT0Z. Okay, that we are going to show. But let us finish this positive test first. Delivery quantity and picking, I'm going to create a delivery quantity of 5. Okay, and then let us save the delivery now. Okay, now the delivery is getting created. And go to display. This is the outbound delivery now. Against outbound delivery, I'm going to create the transfer order. It's not a database, not a updated. LT03, GK1. Okay, this is the 5 quantity. Click on foreground and enter, save. So I'm creating the TO and now I will confirm also. Once the TO is confirmed, we'll see the status and you want to reverse that status now. Let us go for a TO confirmation. From here itself we can go. And it is a bulk structure related, so we need to input the storage unit. LS25, USA 090, USA 090. Okay, here there is an SU with total quantity. And input here, system has taken 5 and remaining 7. Just confirm. Okay, now the transfer order is confirmed. Let us see the delivery, how the status now. See, the delivery is C and C, and goods movement is A. Okay, ready to goods issue. But because of other reasons or after loading inside the material got damaged or any kind of reasons, you want to reverse the picking confirmation. But we know that once the transfer order is confirmed, we cannot cancel it. So SAP has provided an option called LT0G /n LT0G. So LT0G is the return to stock from delivery. Okay, here the step which we are going to do that, return to stock from delivery. You have consumed the stock for a delivery. Now you take back the stock from delivery to your stock. That's what the system is saying. Okay, now we can see the stock status of this material /O LS26. Okay, for this material, and here we can see under 916 there is some 17 quantities available. See, this file belongs to ours. This is our delivery, right? 5 quantity under delivery, you need to take back to your own stock. So give the warehouse number and input the delivery, and moment type is 999, and you can see the delivery view or TO item view, which is better. TO item view can be seen. So 5 quantity, select. Okay, here we can see that put away you want to do in the background, or else put away in the foreground. You want to keep it in a specific bin, or else let system take a decision. Okay, let us go for put away in background, or else we have an option called return to stock. So the stock will come and sit in here only. Mostly we return to stock. So system will create a transfer order from the bin 916 and this delivery as a bin, from there to this bin. Let us see the log. Okay, see the transfer order is created. Source is 916. Delivery has been from that bin to USA 090. Okay, let us see the status of delivery now. This is our delivery. Version VM03N. It has become A and B, because still there is an open transfer order, because we have not yet confirmed. This is the open transfer order. Now we are going to confirm. There. So the stock of 5 pieces have come back to USA 090, and now if you see status of delivery, see, it has become normal. A and A, it became like a fresh 5 quantity. Whenever they want to create a new picking transfer order, they can create a new picking transfer order, or if they want to delete, they can delete. That is the business requirement. Based on the requirement, they can do it. What we have done, after TO confirmation, we have reversed that transaction to get from the 916 bin to, means the delivery to the physical stock. We have taken the back from the loading area, the stock is available. From there we have taken and keep it in our warehouse. You can see the document flow also. See the potent, both the transfer orders we can see. Now the delivery is. So after confirmation, how to reverse or how to return the stock from delivery by using LT0Z. That's what we have seen now, LT0Z, and then confirm TO, because there is also open TO later, right? LT. Here what happens? Stock is back to physical bin. Stock is moved from physical bin to 916 bin. Okay, here the bin is delivery number. This is what how we do when we perform the reversal after confirmation in case of delivery. I hope this video has given you an understanding like how to reverse after TO confirmation during inbound delivery, outbound delivery. In this video, I explained about the outbound delivery. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and check my other WM videos and provide your valuable feedback. And don't forget to share with all of your friends, because the efforts are completely same whether it will be useful for hundreds or thousands. So if it is helpful for many people, that will be, it's like that will be very good feeling. Okay, so that please try to share with more people and participate in the helping of many people. Thank you.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning everyone. First of all, happy May Day to everyone. We are all working for different areas, different domains, and finally we are all called as laborers. Today is our day. Today I'm coming with a video to explain about what are the different options available in my SAP YouTube channel and how to access those videos. Because we make lot of effort, I made lot of effort to make videos. At the same time, that is my responsibility to teach how to find out different videos by concepts, by topics, and by different kind of areas, so that the people who reach that YouTube channel, they can find out the exact material. For example, they need a purchasing video, they need an inventory management related video, they want to have mock interviews. Someone wanted to check only the master data related videos, so like how to search and how to find out the exact videos and what are the different options and how we can utilize it. Many of you know, and few of who doesn't have much idea, I think this video will be helpful for you to find out my videos in YouTube channel. This knowledge can help to find out the different videos of other YouTube channels, because there are few people who have their own YouTube channels and providing the knowledge. Okay, you can watch it and provide your feedback and encourage us. Many of us would be mostly as a passion and as a part-time or just kind of a habit. For me, it's like a passion and habit. It's not my profession, but YouTube has helped me in different ways to enhance my professional job and knowledge. Okay, a lot of improvements were happening. Okay, let's see the details about YouTube channel. Okay, first of all, we need to know about the Google search or YouTube search. Okay, how we can search my videos. Okay, how we can find out. Okay, if you see that multiple search like Ganesh SAP videos, you can go to Google and enter, or you go to YouTube, Ganesh SAP videos, or SAP MM best videos, Ganesh SAP MM. Okay, anywhere if you keep it the name of Ganesh along with SAP MM or SAP WM or SAP MMFA integration or SAP mock interviews, any kind of a text, you just keep the Ganesh in the text, then you will find out my videos. Mock interviews and interview preparation and SAP MM purchasing, inventory management, SAP warehouse management, any kind of text along with Ganesh, if you keep it, you can find out. Let us check the same thing in live. So now you go to Google. Okay, you just check it SAP MM videos of Ganesh. So you will find my YouTube channel here, and you can find out the multiple kind of videos along with the YouTube channel. You can click here and you can go to the YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, you can find out directly. Okay. Otherwise, if you have you can see all my videos. Okay, these are the videos based on the topics. You can find out. You can find out based on the text. Okay. You want to check how to change the price of material, and you want to check the mock interview. You want to check how the questions were being asked and how the person is giving answers, and how to rectify your answering, the way of answering, and how to improve your knowledge. These things you can improve. And if, for example, if you come directly to YouTube channel, for example, you are at the YouTube homepage. Here you can check Ganesh SAP. Okay. See Ganesh SAP or else SAP MM best videos. If you give just one text of Ganesh, then you can find out. Okay, when you give that SAP MM best videos, you will find out different MS videos. You can see here my videos. Many of my videos available under SAP MM best videos along with few of other YouTubers. and also hash SAP MM. You go to YouTube and just give hash SAP MM. So you will find out videos of different YouTubers. Okay, see, you can see many of my videos are available under SAP MM. Okay, and some of other trainer videos also available. So hash SAP MM or hash SAP MM tutorial, tutorial. Okay. So different keywords you can utilize to find out the videos. Okay, hash SAP. Okay, see here the videos hash SAP MM, SAP WM. So you can see it's the WM videos. So this hashtag is very popular nowadays. If you take Twitter or if you take it LinkedIn or if you take YouTube anywhere, you can use this hashtag. So you can search SAP MM, hash SAP MM or SAP WM or SAP. Okay, directly you can check it like SAP Ganesh. Ganesh SAP. You will get my videos and how to find out. This is the search tab, you can utilize it. The next, after checking the search tab, we will see the playlist. Playlist will play very important role because you can see the videos topic by topic. For example, I created multiple playlists to segregate the videos into multiple sub-modules of SAP MM. For example, if you take SAP MM will have a purchasing, inventory management, invoice verification. Even I have segregated into mock interviews, interview preparation, discussion videos, which is like a doubts kind of a sessions, interview discussions, people ask questions and I answer it. So these kind of different subtopics are segregated. Okay, you can see these playlists are created based on topics. I created it. I will show you how to access those playlists. And I can see that there are more than 150 playlists were created with my videos and combination of other trainer videos by some of the people. So it's very good that they have created their own book. They have created their own folder in YouTube by adding, for example, they are preparing for SAP MM. They have taken some best videos of mine and some other best videos of other YouTube channel and they put and they kept their own playlist. That also you can try it. So that you don't have to search anything and you don't have to verify. You just come to your playlist and open. You will see the videos of my videos and some other videos where whatever you added in your playlist. And you can create your own playlist based on your requirement, like topic wise or the interview preparation, anything, whatever you prepare that you can check in the playlist. Let us check it how to check the playlist. For example, you come to SAP Ganesh, click on this icon. So here, if you come here, the playlists. See here, these are all playlists created by me. All Ganesh Padala SAP videos, interview preparation videos, and purchasing, inventory management, master data, WM interview preparation, and mock interview videos. I created multiple playlists. You can use the playlists, for example, mock interview videos. You can check the mock interview videos available here. So you can check the mock interviews. All videos are available. There are 10 mock interview related videos. You can check it and you can watch and you can enhance your skills. You don't have to verify multiple other videos and all because all videos are kept in same. Let me show you the private playlist. Some people have created a playlist. SAP MM playlists. Let us check only one playlist. we can have their own private playlist also. Let us check it here. Create. YouTube.com. We can check it, any customized playlists are available. You can combine different videos of different trainers and keep it in one kind of playlist folder, so that folder you can access whenever you need it. You can get this kind of a playlist where you can find out different videos, and based on your requirement you can create it. Okay, see this is the one, Crazy Arts. The Crazy Arts, one person has created a playlist. Okay, beautiful playlist. So in this, what he has done is he has added so total 32 videos. In the 32 videos, he has many of my videos. Okay, many of my videos and 2-3 other videos also he has added. So in the same way, you also can create your own playlist, and by adding all the best videos of different YouTube channels and keep it in your folder, so you can access and you can enjoy learning. Okay? This is the one how we can get the playlist. Again, I'm showing you how to access my playlist. Come to this screen and go to this playlist, and here you can access whatever the playlists are available here. Okay. After playlist, I'm going to tell you about the subscribe and bell icon. What is the importance of subscribe and bell icon? If you subscribe, you will be in my list of all the subscribers, and I can share any information. And the bell icon. The bell icon is very important role. If you click the bell icon, whenever I upload a new video, I don't have to send an email. I don't have to share in some Telegram groups. I don't have to share anything. I don't have to do any specific publishing. So if you click on the bell icon, whenever I upload a new video in my YouTube channel, you will get a notification to your Gmail, social, wherever. It will have a notification, Ganesh Padala has uploaded a new video and it is going to be available at this point of time. So that will be helpful for you not to miss any video of my new videos. I am making many videos now during this lockdown time, and any video if I upload, it will reach you immediately. So the subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not yet subscribed, and click on the bell icon so that you will get an immediate notifications. Okay, where can we see this subscribe and all? See, whenever if you open a video, for example, let's take it this model video. When you are watching the video, you will see the two icons here, subscribe and bell icon. So first if you subscribe, then you will see the bell icon. You can click the bell icon all, so that whenever I upload, you will get the notification. You have to subscribe here. After you click on the subscribe, it will become subscribe will come. It's a gray color mode. Until that, it will be in a red color. Subscribe and bell icon. This is the important. And quickly we'll go to the like, comment, share. These are the three terms which are widely popular in any YouTube channel, especially for this entertainment or some kind of gaming. Those channels use these words very high, and they do a lot of special small videos to promote like, comment, share, and all. I think as in education related channels, we don't stress too much about this like, comment, and share. And especially if you take my videos, I focus on the content. I just made the video, but we don't do such kind of any video editing as of now because I don't have that much knowledge, and also we cannot give that much time to make the editing and doing some kind of flavors about promoting the like, comment, share. So you need to understand that what is the importance of like, comment, share. How does it helpful? Just I will give you in brief details. So this is the like, comment, and share buttons you see in YouTube. So these are very important for any YouTubers, whether it is education, entertainment, or any other sector. It will be very important. Okay, if you're completely as a YouTuber, they focus more on promoting these things and all. Okay, and how does it help? For example, you get an idea. If I give a like, do you get any income? So already we know that YouTube pays very less, and education channels will get very less. Okay, only we do for passion, sharing knowledge, and reach people that can reach to recruiters, that can reach to lot of people in SAP market, that can help in different ways. But we don't get any money, any income by clicking on like. But this like will encourage. Whenever I see a video, it has many likes, it will encourage that, okay, my video has helped many people. They are liking the video, that will give a motivation, that will give an encouragement. If you comment, yes, it's very good video. I learned because of this video. I cleared my recent interview. I cleared my concept. And I see that kind of comments, it will motivate a lot. Okay, we will do something better. Somewhere we'll give that, okay, we explain by sharing the screen, so it is very good. Okay, then I will take that point. Whenever I do any interview videos or any kind of video, I will try to make it show in SAP screen. I explain on SAP screen, not only that oral statement, because as a human mind, compared to listening, we remember more by seeing. So I always try to, as much as I can, when I do mock interviews, I try to do in SAP Open. I show that what exactly the things I will try to cover as much as I can, because the visual will remember long time than listening something. So your like and comment, it won't give any income, but it will give the more powerful than income, which can generate income, that is motivation and encouragement. With that encouragement, I can make many videos, I can reach to many people, I can reach to recruiters, it can help in different ways for me. And the motivation can help me to give more videos and get more satisfaction of helping thousands of people. Especially in April month, during lockdown, I uploaded 9 videos in the 1 month, 9 to 10 videos in a month. That was the highest ever, and I got around 50% of hike to my views, and 9,300 unique viewers has visited my YouTube channel in the month of April 2020, which is the biggest ever. And I'm very happy that during lockdown time, many people are free at home, and I was very happy that my videos helped many people to utilize, to enhance their skills, or to revise their skills. So whenever you watch a video, you feel it's good, just click a like. It will take 1 second of your time. It can motivate the YouTubers and to encourage the YouTubers. Not only my videos, but also any other videos, you can just click and give your thumbs up to motivate the person. Comment, yes, based on if you like the video very much, then you can go for a comment, because for a comment you have to give 1 or 2 minutes or 5 minutes of your time, but for a like you just give 1 second of your time. And a person is spending hours of time to make a video and provide you knowledge for free. I don't think you have a time of 1 second or 1 minute to give a like or comment. And share. You like a video, you feel that your friends in your Telegram group, or your friends in your Facebook, your friends in your LinkedIn can get a benefit out of this video. Don't hesitate to share. Whether that is Ganesh Padala video, or a video of some other YouTuber, or video of SAP, anything. You just share it. It will helpful for one person, then that credit goes to you, and that satisfaction will be in a different way. And especially for the part-time YouTubers, like for the YouTubers like me who will do some weekends or some whenever I get a time, I just make a video, I just upload it. We don't have a profession. I'm not depending on YouTube as a professional. I lost for almost 5 years of my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time employee and I'm doing my work. And whenever I get a free time, how we play game in a laptop or how we watch a movie in laptop, in the same way I enjoy in making videos and sharing the knowledge and seeing the likes and comments and views. These are all, it's a kind of a different world to share knowledge and to get encouraged and to get satisfaction, the work satisfaction in sharing knowledge. So you have to share, because we don't keep a separate SEO or publicity, private publicity to do a lot of publicity, because we're not doing any full-time business, a full-time kind of a professional, so that you people, my viewers and my subscribers, need to help to share with more people to reach my content, because my efforts are same. If I make a video by spending the PPT preparation and the test data, I have to test first. If everything is fine, then I go for a video making. And when I make videos, and total the process of 3 hours or 4 hours or 2 hours of time I'm spending to make a video. So you just share it to reach more people. 1,000 people watch or 10,000 people watch, my 4 hours of effort or 3 hours of effort is saved. So try to share any of the channel. Lot of YouTube channels are available. Some people are sharing ABAP videos, some people MM, some people WM. So whatever your video like, you just share with your friends to help more people, because the concept they can learn on behalf of you. We don't have to make it. We can share it, the best video which you have seen in your YouTube. So this is the one I want to tell about the importance of like, comment, share. These things will not for an income. Like will give an encouragement, comment will give the motivation, and share will be helpful to reach to more number of people. You are the publisher. You like a video, you just share it. Okay. This is about, I just want to tell how to utilize the playlist and how to watch my videos, and how to utilize the bell icon to get the immediate notifications. And thanks to everyone for your valuable time and patience to listen my words. And once again, thanks to all of you for your support. We are on the way to reach the 10,000 subscribers. My dream 10,000 subscribers. When I was starting in 2015, when I was getting 10, 20, 30 kind of subscribers, I used to think that 10,000 is almost like impossible count for an education channel. Education, lot of software technologies in that SAP is one of them. And in SAP, there are more than 30 popular modules in that MM is one of them. So 10,000 is almost like impossible. But let me reach 1,000 or 5,000. I used to think in that way. Today we are at 9,360. And I hope within 2 to 3 months, I'm going to achieve that 10,000 subscribers. All the best, be safe, stay at home and enhance your skills, share my videos and provide your comments and like. Happy weekend. Have a good day.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to change the material price. Generally, when we use the moving average price, initially when we get the material price was $10, and later it was procured for different kind of prices, and based on the negotiations and all, then the moving average price will be updated based on the total value by total stock. Okay, when the price is bit far from the actual price in the info record, the material master price is bit far, then we can update all the material prices with this transaction code. Even for a standard price also, anytime if you want to update the material price, we have a SAP standard transaction code called MR21. Okay, That transaction code we will use to update the material prices in bulk for multiple materials. We can update at the same time or single material. Okay, let us see the transaction code and how does it work and what kind of inputs we need to give. The transaction code is MR21. Input the posting date and the company code, plant, and document header text. Okay, like yearly correction, whatever, any kind of information you want to keep it. Why you are changing the price? So when you want to check later, then you can use it. Then the material. Some the current price was 70 and you want to update to 80. The new price. Okay. The current price unit and new price unit is still 1. The price unit means per 1 kg or per 1 piece, the cost is 70. If the price unit is 10, then per 10 pieces, the price is 80. This is called this price unit. So 70, I change it to 80. And now click on save. So document is generated 201501. Let us display the document. Okay. So this is the document system is showing. 70 was the old price and the new price is 80 and the value change was 2400. Whatever the stock is available, based on that the value change was shown here. Now click on accounting documents. So system will generate an accounting document when we update the price of the material. So you can see the accounting document. See the BSX and UMB. Okay. BSX, the stock account is positive because additional stock of 2400 is added to the stock account. And losses of material price, this is the UMB. Okay, we can see what is UMB, about XPRO. And in the documentation, we can see the SAP standard documentation about UMB. Material management. Valuation and account assignment. Account determination without result. In kind of automatic postings, if you click on this documentation, we can see the documentation about each transaction key. Okay, now we are going to check for UMB. So, what is the purpose of UMB? SAP has created and how to understand about the transaction key UMB. Let us check it now. Yes, sir. Here. Okay. See here, revenue or expenses from the revaluation. So because we are revaluating the price. The 70 INR price is revaluated to 80 INR. Okay. And the account is offsetting account for the BSD account. It is posted during the closing entries of the accumulation run of the material ledger and has to be defined for this one. The transaction event key is used both in inventory management and in invoice verification. If the standard price of the material has been changed and the movement of an invoice is posted to the previous period. Again, any kind of price changes, the revenue or expenses. For example, we have changed the price from 70 to 80. So the stock account is increased. So the respective, the negative account has come as per UMB. Why stock account is increased to 2400? Let us check it now. /O MMB. Okay, the material is 234. Material is changed now here 239. The material is 239 Okay, the available stock is 240. We increase the price of 10, so that system has shown the value change of 2400. 240 into 240 multiple 10 times. So 2400 value change happened. What is that value change? We have increased the price. So we increase the price, so the inventory account is increased to 2400. So there is a material price change losses is 2400 credit. UMB. If you have decreased the price, the stock account will be decreased, means it will be credit, and this UMB will be debit. This is how we update the price of a material by using MR21. I hope this video has given the knowledge to change the material price, and after changing the price, what kind of accounting documents will be created, and what are the transaction fees will be reflected during the accounting entries. We can see that stock account, if you debit, it increase the price, if you credit, if you decrease the price. Of course, the opposite entry will come for UMB. What is meant by UMB? UMB is the revenue or expense from the revaluation. Okay, we are reevaluating the price, so UMB has hit. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch other videos. There are a lot of videos from material management, warehouse management, and some of the mock interviews videos are available, and interview discussion videos are available. Multiple journal kind of videos are posted in my YouTube. And watch the videos and provide you valuable feedback. It will be definitely an encourage to me to do many videos in future. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, we will discuss a topic called returnable transport packaging material. If you know the background of returnable transport packaging, whenever we procure some materials, along with that, vendor can provide you the returnable transport packaging materials. It means the packaging material has cost, and also the vendor needs the same packaging material again back to his location, so that he can fill the material and he can provide it them. It's not like a one-time usage or two-time usage of packaging material. The packaging material will be used for a long time. For example, the gas cylinders or oxygen cylinders or some kind of containers. Until once you use the material, you can send that packaging material back to the vendor. So these kind of returnable transport packaging materials, here the topic is, can we receive an RTP material in quality stock or blocked stock? Can you receive at your company? The question again, is it possible to receive an RTP stock into your quality or blocked stock? Okay, let's see the answer. Let us go to Nego, goods receipt, other, and goods receipt to the RTP stock 501M. M is the special stock indicator which represents RTP stock, returnable transport packaging vendor. Okay. We can see here returnable transport packaging vendor M, and the moment at which we are going to use is 501M, and we need to use goods receipt other. I will use to receive the stock. Let us go to this, and the material, will take some material, packaging material, and how much quantity I want to receive. I want to receive some 30 quantity. Plant, and I will give my storage location. The recipient, Ganesh. Okay, and we need to mention the vendor. because it's RTP stock. So here we are going to do the receiving, right? What I want to do is I will select the quality instruction stock. Now let us see the behavior. Click on check button. See, the message is error message. The combination of movement type 501 special stock M and the stock type quality is not possible. So the combination of 501 special stock M and the stock type quality is not defined. See, you may be trying to post stock to a stock type that is not defined for this stock. For example, block stock of material to be provided to vendor or written block stock for sales order stock do not exist in the SAP. Okay, the direct point is returnable transport packaging material can be received as only unrestricted stock. It cannot be received as a block stock or it cannot be received as a quality stock. That's what I wanted to tell. So system throw an error and change to unrestricted and click on check button now. No error message and click on post. Okay. And now display document. Here we can understand one more thing. Returnable transport packaging, it will be always non-evaluated receipt. There will not be any accounting entries. Okay. This is what I wanted to tell you. So RTP material can be received at the warehouse as an unrestricted stock, but it cannot be received as a quality or block stock. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and check the different videos in YouTube. Okay, by searching as per playlist, and you can search multiple playlists are available: inventory management, the purchasing, interview preparation. We have a multiple kind of playlists are available. You can just search for Ganesh SAP or Ganesh SAP playlists. Okay, so that you can get that, and whatever the videos you like, you can share with your circle. Once again, thanks to all of you for your support. Have a good evening.
This conference will now be recorded.
One more interview question: how to cancel an open transfer order? You know that a transfer order can be created against a material document, against a posting change notice, we can create against inbound delivery or against outbound delivery. We can create the transfer order with reference to multiple documents in SAP. Once you create the transfer order, how to cancel? For example, if you have created by mistake, and how to cancel the open transfer order? The answer is, we have a transaction code called LT15. So transfer order can be cancelled with the LT15 transaction code before confirming the TO. System used like this, and we will cancel one of the TOs in the system. How to get the transfer orders first? We can use the transaction code LT22, give the warehouse number, and select only open TO items, and can give some transfer order date for a range 0408-2009. Okay, now open transfer orders. Let's increase the date. Okay, we got one open TO. How to cancel the open TO? You can go from here, or else you can go to LT15 directly. You can just cancel, click on transfer order. See, system has taken to the T code.
LT15. Click enter. So system will show you the details of how the transfer order is created, what are the source bin and the details, everything. Okay. Now save it. See, the TO is cancelled. Now if you want to display the same transfer order, see here, TO is cancelled. You can see the cancelled item flag. So in the table, you can also get the same thing. For example, if you want to check the TO 1046, if you go to LIKP, so LTAK, LTAK is the table for transfer order header. 1046, I think. /OLT21. Yeah, it's 1046. And warehouse number is GK1. And here you can see the shipment. This is the confirmation flag. Transfer order. Okay. Now at the header level, we didn't get any information. Let's go to item, transfer order item. These are the two tables for us. One is transfer order header and another one is transfer order item. We can get the details of respect to TO. The plant and all these details, the quantity, these details can be available here. Confirmation and the quant, plastic check, storage location, quantity, all the details are available here. Confirmation flag. See here, the actual quantity, we can see here the source actual quantity is 0 because we have cancelled the TO without any confirmation. So the source actual quantity has become 0 here.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. See, in LTAP table, we have a field called VORGA. Okay. If the field value is ST or SL, then we can identify the TO is cancelled. For example, we can see that ST or SL and we'll just pass VORGA, ST and SL. We got some couple of transfer orders. Let's check the transfer orders. /N LT21. See, this is cancelled. So whenever you put any logic in any kind of program, or else you want to have a report where you want to show the cancel transfer orders, then we can use this field LTAP VORGA equal to ST or SL is considered under cancel TO. We can also mention if the transfer procedure, what is the field name? LTAP VORGA equal to ST or SL for cancel transfer order. So in any report or any logic, if you want to identify cancel transfer orders, we can use this logic. I hope it is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Today I am coming with one topic, confirmation of TiVo on RF screen. Okay. So in this video I will explain the confirmation of put-away TiVo. By mentioning the put-away TiVo, it means the receiving TiVo. The transfer order which is created to receive the stock, such kind of TiVo, how do you confirm on RF screen? We will use SAP standard transaction code to confirm the same. Let's do the testing of this process. Before that, I will show you in the front end, and then we go on RF screen. Let's check it now. LS26. Okay, I'll use this material and plant and location for our testing purpose. I have an IM location. First, we will do one transfer to receive the stock. Okay, in a simple transaction, we will use transfer posting so that I will do IM to WM location transfer. So it will be treated as a receiving process to our warehouse, and based on that document, we will create a transfer order and we will confirm on RF. Select transfer posting, and the material is 19255. Plant is CKP1, and storage location is 0002 is my IM location, and 0001 is my WM location. Okay. Now the quantity, how much we are going to transfer, let's for testing purpose, let's take 10 quantity and post it. Okay, now we have posted the material document, and let's check the stock position here. Here you can see this one interim is generated with 10 pieces of stock until we finish the WM process. Let's create transfer order against this material document and click on put away foreground. System has proposed the destination bin based on the put away strategy, and transfer order is created. Now we will refresh. Okay. Now the 10 stock is coming in 001 storage type. You can see this stock for put away 10 quantity is waiting, and the pick quantity from 921 10 quantity is available. Once we confirm the TiVo, this will be disappear, and this 10 quantity will be added to available stock. So 232 will become 242. Let's check that. This is the front end, how you confirm the transfer order. In real time, when do you use this transfer order confirmation? Once the stock is received at the warehouse, at the receiving area, we create the transfer order. System will tell in which storage bin is supposed to place the stock. Then the warehouse operator with a forklift, they pick that material through a pallet or through a container. They move the material through forklift or any kind of movable trolley to the bin, and they place the stock in the storage bin. Once they place the storage bin, they will confirm the transfer order. Yes, I placed the stock in the system suggested bin. Okay. Let's check it now. /n LT12. Okay. System has proposed the keep it in this bin of 10 pieces of stock. They're confirmed. Okay. Now the transfer is confirmed. Now we will see this 232 will become 242. Refresh it. See, stock has become 242. The interim 921 is disappeared. Let's repeat the same process, but this time we will do TO confirmation on RF screen. Okay. Before checking this, whenever you want to check when to test on RF, we need to have our profile. The T code is LRFMD. Okay. The same thing we can navigate it. Let's check it for my warehouse GK1 and my username. See, the status is activated for my user ID. Okay, so I can do the testing. The same we can navigate from SPRO also, logistic execution, mobile data entry. Okay, here RFQ management. Okay, define queues and all, listen areas and activities. Okay, here we can do the different queues and all. This is the configuration. Okay. The same LRFMD, we can assign this processor to queues. Okay, where the profiles are assigned here, the RFQ management, the same configuration, LE, mobile data entry, and RFQ. Now we have in place for the warehouse, the user ID is activated, so we can do the testing. Okay, let's repeat the same. The first step will be, okay, how we are going to do the testing. The first, okay, the first I am doing, we go transfer posting from IM to WM location 311, then LT06 or LT04, we can use any transaction code, create transfer order, but the confirmation I will do, we go, okay, but the confirmation I will do with LM03. Okay, confirm TO on RF. Okay, let's do this now. Same thing, material, plant is GKP1 and storage location is 0002 and my WM location is 0001. Okay, we will do a quantity of, let's check 20 pieces, click on check and then post it. Okay, once we posted, system has created a material document. Let's check the same status now. See, 921 interim is generated for the 20 pieces until we finish the warehouse activities. It will be in the interim. Because IM level, the stock has already become 494. So to synchronize it, to synchronize the stock between IM to WM, SAP has kept these interim storage types to keep the stock of 20 pieces. Now you can check directly LT06 or else you can check a transaction code called LB11. Okay. And it will show if there is any open TR. See, there is an open TR for 20 pieces and use the word TO in foreground. Now you can see the transaction code. This is LT04. So TO with reference to TR. So that if you use LT04, TO reference to TR, LT06, TO reference to material document. You can use any of them here. Let's create the TO and put away in foreground. System has proposed the bin and this stands as 001 storage type and click enter. Now the transfer order is created. Okay. Let's check it now. See, if you check it, there are no OpenTR because already we converted to TO. See here what happens. This 20 available stock of 921 will go to pick quantity, and you will see a new field called stock for put away because waiting for put away confirmation. Refresh it. See here, 20 quantity has come for stock for put away, and 921 20 pick quantity is available here. Let's do the last step, but this time we are going to do with LM transaction code. We have multiple LM transaction codes. I can directly go there, but let's show here SC93, give LM star and click F4. You will get the list of LM transaction codes which are related to RF. You can see here, and we are going to use this transaction code, put away by transfer order. Okay, LM03 we will use it now. Click on test. See the first screen. When you see that RF device, now we have ITS mobile, like Android mobile kind of devices we are using in the warehouses. The user will scan the transfer order, the barcode. Once yes, transfer order is scanned, it will come and sit here. Okay, let's see what is our transfer order. LT21 display transfer order. Okay, this is the transfer order. System has proposed to place. This is the destination bin. Let's take this TO number and click on next button. See here on the first screen, this is SAP standard transaction code. In the first screen, we can see what is the source bin. This is an interim bin, and the material, the quantity, unit of measure, and the material description we can see here. Okay, and if you want to go back, you can go back, and if you want to check the next, you can check that. Okay, first we need to select the material which you want to transfer, then click next. First system is checking that. First you select it, then only you can go to next. Okay, click on save. You can see here the material is selected which you want to process. Now click on next. In this screen, the system is showing the destination information. Okay, the operator who has taken the material to the bin, once he scans the transfer order, he will get the destination bin details. So he will go to the bin 030406. Okay, the high level, the 6th level it is available, and he checks the material quantity, the bin where he exactly is keeping. He will keep the material on the bin, and then click on save. Once you click save button, system will confirm the transfer order in the backend. Okay, before clicking confirm, let me check it. See, now the red color is there because no confirmation has taken place. Now we are going to click save button. See, it is confirmed. Now check the TO again. See, the transfer order is confirmed. Now let's see this here. This 921 is going to be disappeared from the screen, and this 20 will be added to 242. It will become 262. Refresh. See, the stock in this hierarchy storage has become 262, and the interim has disappeared. And you have the latest 20 pieces of stock with the GR date of today's date. We can see the stock here. Okay. In this session, we have seen how we created IM to WM transfer posting in IM with our Pico transaction code, and then we created the TO. We can create either with LT04 with reference to TR or LT06 with reference to material document. And if you want to do manual confirmation on the desktop, we can use LT12, or else if you want to do on the RF screen, either you can access through desktop or else you can access through RF device. The LM03 transaction code we have used here. Confirm TO on RF. Okay, confirm TO, like confirm TO for put away. Put away means placing the stock. That's what I'm mentioning. Picking means removing the stock. This is the placing the stock. Okay. I hope this session has given what are the prerequisites, that is the basic thing. We should have the profile for the user ID in the RFQ management, and then we can access any LM transaction code. For example, if you have not assigned or if your status is not active, you will get the error message, no profile defined for the user ID like that. Then you have to understand that warehouse is not assigned to the respective user for whom you are getting the error message. I hope this session has given an insight and basic understanding about the PO confirmation process on desktop and also on RF screen. Okay. Let's check my blog. I want to tell one point about my blog here. We can navigate. You don't have to remember the address. We can just give Ganesh SAP. So you can get my blog here. And I want to tell one functionality in the blog. If you don't know what are the documents available, because the blog currently contains more than 100 documents and videos, you can use the button called Sets. Okay, I put at the top and also at the bottom. If you want to check any material, for example, you want to know intra company STO. Okay, if you just click that, you will get the document related to intra-company STO. For example, you want to have subcontracting. Okay, you will get the document on subcontracting. What are the documents and videos available on the subcontracting process? We can get them. So you can use this sets button to set the documents in the blog and keep learning, and whatever the documents here available, you can go through and provide your valuable feedback. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening. Keep learning. Bye for now. Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Ganesh Padala, and as I have been working on WM for last 1 to 2 years on continuous projects, I get an idea that let's make some WM interview questions which will be useful for my YouTube subscribers and anyone who visit my YouTube channel. Let's start today. I'm coming with one question. Generally, these interview questions, it won't be like the question and answer. At least one question I will cover in one video, and I will try to show in SAP, and I will give some explanation about the business background. I hope it will be helpful to understand the context, and also it will be useful when you face any tickets in your project or any requirement. Okay, let's go to the first question, which we are starting SAP WM interview questions. I'm going with an understanding that the audience who are checking the videos, they are aware about certain terms of warehouse management. Okay, we cannot go into that level of discussion. I will try to cover in some other overview of WM or any kind of videos. So the question is like how to confirm put away transfer order on RF device in SAP warehouse management. Okay, the put away we use in WM for the receiving process. Whenever you receive the materials against inbound delivery or against any inbound related transfer, posting, any kind of receiving, the material is receiving to our warehouse. At that point of time, if we create a transfer order, we generally call it as a put away transfer order, because that transfer order confirmation will increase the stock in the warehouse management. We are receiving the stock so that we use the put away. For example, if you are creating a transfer order against an outbound delivery or against any kind of removal, means sending out of our warehouse, then we call it as a picking transfer order. Okay, that word I'm just using to understand the audience, like transfer order, put away transfer order means it's receiving, picking transfer order means it's a removal of from the warehouse. Okay, that's it. The overall it's a transfer order. How to confirm whatever transfer order on RF device in SAP warehouse management? See, in warehouse management, we use RF devices where we can scan the material, and we can scan transfer order, we can scan storage unit, a different kind of parameters, and to confirm the process. Okay. Generally, when you create a transfer order, we confirm with LT12, LT12 on desktop we can confirm. But when we use the RF device, once the goods are received at the loading bay, okay, where you are doing the receiving bay, we call it as a receiving bay. Once the truck is received, we take that respective document like inbound delivery, we create a transfer order, and then we go to that place and we scan the transfer order and place in the respective bin which is suggested by the system, and we confirm I have kept the stock in that bin. Okay. The confirmation of transfer order means we are placing the stock in exactly the storage bin suggested by the system, and I am confirming that the put away process is completed. Once you have confirmed, the stock will get increased. Okay. What transaction code? In SAP we have LM03 transaction code to confirm the transfer order. Okay, through LF menu if you go, you have to add under the put away process in inbound. Okay, and the prerequisites are first of all the user ID who wants to do the confirmation, that should be active for the respective warehouse, and then we need to perform the receiving process, the receiving confirmation. Okay. Just I want to highlight one point. As per SAP standard, one user ID can be active only for one warehouse at a time. You cannot activate for multiple warehouse numbers. Okay. Let's see in the system to get better clarity on that. We'll go with LRFMD, or else you can go with either LRFMD, directly you can navigate it, or else we can go with SPRO path. Okay. As it's kind of end user T code or super user who wants to access the managing of IDs. Okay, this can be accessed directly in production system or any system, so that we generally don't use much the SPRO path. Okay, we use mainly LRFMD transaction code. Okay, you can see this area where we define the menu management and the queue management, all the details. Okay, you can see here where we decide the menu. Okay, according to this menu details and all, we will see the information which are the users assigned. Okay. Okay. This is the transaction code which I mentioned. We can use this transaction code, or else the LRFMD directly we can use it. Okay. For example, GK1 SAP EXT 16 is my ID. See, this is activated for this transaction code. This warehouse, my user ID is active. As I told you, it won't allow for another, right? Let me activate for other user ID and we'll see what kind of error will come. Okay, see. The user is already active in another warehouse number, so that you cannot activate it. So you can activate only one warehouse at a time. That's what I want to convey the message. Okay, let's see this. Our user ID is active for GK1 warehouse in the queue management. As you can directly LRFMD. You can directly access with this also. Okay. First we check. Like this we can check, or else we know the method. It's through table also we can check that. If you don't know the table, you just click on F1 LRF underscore WKQ. Okay. Now what we do, for example, you want to know which warehouse is activated for your user ID, then go to SC16N and give the table. Okay, give your ext16 and execute it. Okay, your user ID might be assigned to multiple warehouses as it's a test system. In production, we maintain one user, one warehouse, and we activate the status. Okay, we need to take the status which is active. Okay, GK1 is active, so we will take any one open transfer order, and I will show you how to confirm with RF transaction. Okay, now I can navigate you in a SAP look with LM01 transaction code. And if you use the RF device, the same screens will be visible in the RF device where you can access with the device, RF device. I hope you are aware about how RF devices work. Okay, we can see that the different RF devices in the market. Okay, I can show you in Google also, like Zebra and Panasonic, Intermac. There are many Intermac, Zebras were mostly popular, and different brands are available in the market. I used like Zebra and Point Mobile, Panasonic. We have used the different devices in our projects. Okay. Let me take any one transfer order, T code LT22 and GK1, and we'll take 902 as a source. Okay, you can take any 9 series as a source, because then only that will be considered as a receiving transfer order. Okay, we'll choose this TO. Okay, 522. See, from source, interim storage type, and the destination, it's a receiving TO. Let's use this TO for our checking. See, the transfer order is in open. You can see the red color here, the destination data. Okay, let's go with RF menu. LM01 is the transaction code. If you don't maintain LRFMD transaction code, you will get a message like your user ID is not active. The profile is not active, error message. Go to inbound. Go to put away. This all you design in the menu management. Put away by transfer order. You have a transfer order and you want to scan transfer order. See, according to the design, we can scan a transfer order, you can scan a pallet ID, anything we can scan according to our design. Okay, now I'm explaining scanning of transfer order to do the put away transformation, put away transfer confirmation. If you see here, the transaction code is LM03. You can directly navigate LM03 also. But when you use RF, we go with the menu right, so that I have shown the menu path. Let's take our TO 522. 522 is the transfer order. See, according to what you need to imagine is, once the goods are received, we generate the transfer order and take the printout. The printout will contain the transfer order number with barcode. So that the RF device, the person who has gone there, he will go to the menu, and once this transfer order field has come, he will scan the transfer order and click on next. Once click on next button, you can see that what is the source bin. Source is interim, and the material, quantity, material description, all the details we can see here. Now click on save. See, once you click on save, you can see this, the button is selected, the material is selected. Now click on next button. Okay, here what is the destination bin, where you are keeping that, where you are supposed to keep that material of 10 kg. You have seen the destination bin. The warehouse, the forklift operator will go to that bin and keep that materials of 10 kg. the bin 030805 and confirm. Again you click on save, so the transfer order is confirmed. You can check the details. LT 21. See, the transfer order has become green. Earlier it was red color, now it became green. You can see the stock also. According to the bin you can check /n ls 25 001 in the bin. Click on enter. This transaction code we use to see the stock available for the respective bin. See, this is the 10 kg which we confirmed just now. Okay. When it was confirmed, what is the T1 number and what is the GR number? All the details we can see here. Okay. This is about the transfer order confirmation for the receiving TO. Whenever if you go with the transfer order scanning and confirmation, this is the transaction code we use. The same activity will happen on the RF device. Okay. I hope this session is helpful for you. Thanks for your time. Keep watching. Have a good day.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Today we will discuss one more WM interview question. Let's go through the question directly. How to block the storage bin for stock placement or receiving process. Okay, like the business requirement will be like, for example, there is a storage bin which is under maintenance activity. You need to do some welding work for the drag bins, or else there is a floor bin which needs to be, the floor should be, you have to do the maintenance work for that. It is completely damaged because of forklifts or handling of any other iron kind of items and all, so that you want to do maintenance, and that storage bins, maybe 10 bins or 5 bins or 1 bin, you want to stop any placement in that bin, okay, until for a week or sometimes you want to keep for a temporarily. Okay, then how to block the bin. Today we will learn how to block the bin. There are two kind of options we can utilize. If you want to block only one bin, you can use the LS02N transaction code. If you want to block some 10 bins or 20 bins simultaneously at a time, then SAP has provided LS06 transaction code. Okay. Even in configuration, we can maintain the blocking regions. Multiple blocking regions we can maintain, and according to the blocking region, system will display, and we need to utilize for the same. Let's see first. Before going to block and unblock, let me show you where we can maintain the blocking regions. SPRO, logistics execution, warehouse management, master data, storage bins. Here we can maintain the blocking regions. Okay. For your warehouse number, you need to maintain the blocking regions. Now for this demo, for this purpose, I am using G01. So I maintain this maintenance work, special business requirement. Okay. We can maintain the multiple kind of regions. Okay. Let's keep it few more. We can maintain maintenance work, special business requirement. Damaged. Temporary, no use. You don't want to use those bins for temporarily for a time being. Okay, or else result. Maybe during the stock removal also you want to block that bin stock. At that time you can use it. Okay, now we are discussing about the placement, so let's concentrate on that, and the picking related we will discuss in some other video. Okay, let's go with that. How to block the bin, and I will show you that after blocking how system will throw error also. That also we can check it. Okay, now LS04, see the transaction to see some empty bins. Okay, any list of bins also you can see. I will just see you some empty bins here. See here, if you want to 0301 06 slash and LS02N, this is the bin. Okay, and we need to keep the put away block. As I mentioned, put away means receiving. Put away block, and you can maintain the blocking reason. Okay, see what are the reasons we maintain for our warehouse number. The same thing will be visible here. Maintenance work. Because of maintenance work, we are blocking the bin for the future placements. You can see this put away block was happened. Now save it. Okay, and we will see how to block multiple bins at a time. Same I will use it. Here we give warehouse number and storage type, and you can select what are the all bins you want to see, only not blocked bins or put away block we can filter. You will select the bins which are not blocked. You want to show only those things. Let's select 03, 1, 2, 3. 3 bins they will block at the same time. You can see unblock and block. Click on the block, select put away block, and give the reason as temporary no use. You don't want to use those bins. Now save it. See, with the description it is updated. If you want to block multiple bins at the same time with a single reason, then use LS06 and LS02N if you want to block any single material. As mentioned, this is a business transaction which can be used in any system like production, quality, or development. Generally, in production, the super user will use this transaction code according to their warehouse plan. If they have any maintenance work for certain bins, he can block it. So that system will not propose that bin, okay, during the set strategy. Okay, during set strategy, system will ignore that bin, and if you want to insist, if you want to input the bin, like you want to manipulate it, you want to place the material in that bin, system itself will throw the error message. Let's do the testing. Okay. We will take any of these bins for our testing purpose. We need to do on any inbound, right? What will I do? I will do transfer posting, storage location from an IM to W. Okay. 311 moment type, and plant is GKP2, my plant, and the storage location. This is my IM location, and click enter. This is my WM location. This is my material, 20 pieces I want to transfer. Save. Okay. Now the document is saved. We can create the transfer order. Okay, you can display the same document in our Migo. We can get an idea. 3,348. We can use Migo transaction in the all latest EHP versions. So these MBT codes are. I think in future these T codes will be obsolete. We need to use Migo. Okay. Now enter. Okay. We are doing from IM to WM. Let's create transfer order. Transaction code is LT06. Input the material document and material document year and the warehouse number G01. Okay. Here we can see that put away foreground. Select put away foreground option. The system has proposed available pins. Okay. Now we need to do our negative testing, right? 0, 3, 0, 1 and 0, 1. Okay. See, now the system is giving error message. Storage bin 0301 blocked for stock placements. This bin is blocked so that you cannot receive the stock to the bin. Okay. Although 03 series is empty, system has proposed the next bins because system has ignored the bins which have the put away block. Okay. This is the how to block the overall what we have understood from this session. How to block a storage bin for receiving process, receiving stock placement or put away, all these terms come under in the same area. How to block it, and also we understood that system will ignore the bins which have blocked indicator for put away during the stock placement in the automatic strategy. If you still want to place like how we have input manually, then system itself will throw the error message. It won't allow you to place stock. Okay. I hope you understand that how the block indicator works in the storage bin, and we have seen one receiving process, and while creating TO itself, system is stopping you to create a TO with that bin. In some other session, I will explain about stock removal block and how that will be controlled, how we can control those things and all. Thanks for your time. Have a good evening.
Hi, this is Ganesh, and today we are going to discuss a topic how to issue the stock to the scrapping. Sometimes what will happen, there is a stock which is lying in our warehouse for a long time. Maybe it is in unlisted stock, or it is in quality, or it is in blocked stock. Okay. So in certain business processes, what we do, we can directly scrap the material from unlisted user stock. Otherwise, we can do from the blocked stock, and we can do from quality stock also. But ideally, in many business cases, what will happen, once the material is decided as to send as a scrap, we just send to the quality department, and the quality department will check the parameters. If it can be reutilized, it can be reused for any other purpose, they can use it. Otherwise, they will tell that like we can generate as a scrap. But SAP has given a provision to generate the material as a scrap from any of these three stocks, unlisted, quality or block. Separate movement types were given. Today we will just do that generation of scrap from the unlisted use stock. We can do any kind of thing that now we are going to take a material, and if you see that material, the material which I want to use for testing is 1289, and first we will see what is the accounting view of the material, and the valuation class is 7920, and then we'll see the stock of the material, warehouse stock MB52, give the material, plant and storage location. See, in quality the stock is 18 and in unlisted it is 795. Now I am going to create Migo and goods issue. We'll use other, and if you see the goods issue for scrapping, the movement types, Q 551. See, withdrawal for scrapping from unlisted use stock, and if you want to do from quality 553, and if you want to do from block, it is 555. Any of them we can do. Now today we are going to do with 551, which is from unrestricted use stock, and material is 1289, and quantity, how much I want to do, 30 quantity. For example, I want to generate as a scrap, and plant is 1000, storage location 0001. Okay. Just click on check button. It is asking that GL account requires a cost object, because in the GL account they kept cost object as a mandatory. We can give a cost center of scrap and click on check. Okay. How much material and count. Before posting, we just see the stock once. 795 is available. Now it has to come down. 30 quantity has to come down. Now post it. As soon as you post, material will be generated as a scrap. It will be issued to the scrapping, and we can see the decrease in the stock, and also we'll see the accounting entries, which is most important, and where we can see certain things. But before going to FA documents, I'm just going to MB52. Just execute it. 795 has become 765. And now I'm taking the FA documents. FA documents, see here, the BSX gets credit, the stock has come down, and the scrap material, the scrap account has debit. The scrap account, how this 8900001 has hit, we can see in OBYC. If you come to OBYC transaction code, and it will be a offsetting entry, that's why it will be under GBB, and our valuation modifier is 0001, and the general modifier which is given for this is BNG. Okay, BNG, you can see that 0001, and VNG is the general modifier which is designed by SAP for scrapping purpose, and the valuation class is 7920 of our material. Just now we have seen that. See, for 0001 valuation modifier, general modifier VNG, and 7920, the GL account is 89001. Okay, system has taken the GL account from this screen, and as per these settings, and stock also has come down. We can do scrapping from 551 or 553 or 555. These are the three movement types we have to do the scrapping, that we can see in the display of the document where we have seen the movement types. This is about the goods issue to scrapping from unregistered, quality or blocked. Any of these three we can do it. I hope this session is useful for you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.
Have a mass transaction standard. I will show you how to upload and using data with blockchain for bulk materials without creating any LSM document. Here I will show you the details. For I will show you about material. MM17 is the transaction code, so where we upload where we do the mass transaction. Now I will show you the details of manufacturing number. If you want to contain the bulk materials, if you want to change how we have to manage. Before that, you have to know what is the table and field names of that for the respective fields. will show you that see, for example, MATNR is a medical number and MFRNR is a manufacturer number. What I want to do is this is the material for these materials I want to change manufacturer number. For example, I can keep it as a this data I want to this data you have to copy and text file. Text file. Manufacturer. Just copy the data which you want to put out. And then go to the master section, select the table which is belonging to the respective field. For example, the manufacturer comes under MER. That's why I have selected MER. And then click on import data from file. Desktop. There is our file. Manufacturer is our file. We have selected. Then select tab and also try to without header line, because in header we have given the table and field, right? We have given the field name. That's why we have to select without header line. Then see what are the fields we have done. Those two fields have done. Then click on SICOM. Select the field map. Then click on the SICOM and select the respective file. Then OK. Then execute. See, the system is showing that manufacturer fields which you are going to give, all these fields will become new fields are going to be replaced. The same activity we can do manually also, but if you want to do the bulk, then this file upload method is the best method. Then save. Now we will go to one material, whether it is changed or not. This is our material. Select your purchasing material, but it is not coming out MERC. That you have to understand. You can keep without any plant, but I only see the manufacturer number, the new field. What we have given 10, right? The 949 we have given as a 10. The 10 has come. Like that, if you want to do such part profile, the part number, any certain specific fields if you want to maintain and you want to update, the same method you can follow. You can save them, you can do for vendor master or any other master data also. The same, only the table and the fields and the screens will be different, but the rest all will be same. I hope it will be helpful for you to do the activities. Thank you. Now we will create the contract. Okay, once you click on ME31K, system will take you to the screen of contract creation. Here you can see we can create a contract with reference to purchase requisition and with reference to RFQ. Okay. Now we can give the vendor and the agreement type. What is the agreement type we have to create? The ZQCT is our agreement type, and the agreement date will give you on which date you are creating the agreement. Okay, this agreement blank we have to give because the number will be generated, and we can give purchasing organization
item category, we are creating standard one, that's why we can leave it blank. And account assignment also blank. If you want to create any English cost center and all, we have it. And the plant 1000, storage location, step 01. These are the important fields. Agreement type, vendor, for which vendor we want to create, and the plant, purchasing organization, all important fields we have to give. Then click on enter. Once you click on enter, system will take you to the contract, the main screen. The header data, see we came to contract header data. This is the validity start date today when we are creating, the validity end date till the when it will end. We can give 09/06/2017. 09/06/2017 when it is going to end. Okay, and also we can enter what is the target value. These things also we can enter here. For example, target value I can give as some 10,000. Okay, it's like 10,000. You can say like it's a 10 million. Now click on enter. This is the item overview where we maintain the material, for which material you want to create and all. You can give the material number. After giving material number, you just click on okay, and the target quantity 100 kg. You can give how much, what is the target quantity, how much you want to create. This is our, as it is a quantity contract, we can give a target quantity as some 1000. Okay. Or we can give any other material which we have, like 2x, 8. Seven zero. Okay. Just give the one material and what is the target quantity and what is the price we are fixing. We can give how much price we are fixing. The target quantity is 2,200,000 and the price per 1 kg is 300 euros. Okay, we have to enter those details. Okay. Now what we have done, we have given the material number and target quantity, what is our target quantity and what is the price per each kg. We have given the material. Okay. Then select the material item and go to, here we can see the dollar euro symbol, right? There you click on item conditions. If you click on item conditions, system will take you to the conditions tab of the contract, where we can maintain the price, and if you have any discount, all these kind of data we can maintain here. See, this is the one for 300, and if you want to maintain any kind of freight charges, for example, freight you want to have always 10%. Okay, we can have the freight charges, and if the vendor is giving you some discount on grass, always a 5% discount is giving to you. These are kind of conditions we can maintain in the contract. This is the agreed. Vendor he wants to give you 5% discount always, and the freight charges will be always 10%. Okay. This is the conditions. Now here we can say if you want to go to the header, you have to click here header. For example, if you click here, it will take you to the initial screen of header data, where we have maintained the validity date of a contract, everything. And this is the item where we can maintain our material number, quantity, all these details. Okay. Now, okay, we have seen this. Any additional data if you want to give, we can give here. And if you click on these details, system will take you to the details screen. Now if you want to go to the back, we can click on back. Now we came to the item screen. Okay. Here we can see what is the target quantity and how much price was given. See, the net price has become 285 because we have given certain discount. And the plant, these all details we maintain here. And that's it. If you see that any other details and all, the delivery address of the plant, okay, and here we can see the vendor address. If you click on this icon, or we can see the address of the vendor. These are different tabs we have. If you go through that details, we can come to know the details and all. That's it, the creation of contract, where we fix some target quantity and some price for respect to vendor and the material combination. And now we can save. Now system will create a contract number. Now I will teach you how to create a contract with reference to a purchase requisition also. Click on S. See, we can see the successful message, test quantity contract created under the number 300. Okay, 300 contract was created. See, if you want to change anything, you can go to the contract change, ME32K, give the contract number. Okay, there we can, if you want to make any changes, we can do it. For example, you want to change the total target quantity to 300,000. You can make the same thing and save here. Okay, this is the process of creation of contract. Now I will teach you how to create a contract with reference to purchase requisition. Then we can close this topic today. Creation of contract, ME31K. Okay. Here we will go to, first of all, we need to take any purchase requisition. From here also we can select it. Otherwise, if you have a purchase requisition number, we can directly give the purchase requisition. First, you need to select the agreement type and the agreement date, and our purchasing organization and purchasing group, and the plant and the storage location. Now, reference to purchase requisition. Click on reference to purchase requisition. There we supposed to give the purchase requisition number. See here we have to give the purchase requisition number. If you don't know, then you have to click on F4. You can set the purchase requisition by order, services, purchasing group. For example, with purchasing group 001 and 1000 is our purchasing organization, and SC309. For example, for this vendor is any purchase requisition if you want to check. There is no purchase requisition. Okay, I have given the purchasing organization 1000 and purchasing group 001. Now let me search any purchase requisition is available. Okay, there are many purchase requisitions are available, and let me take I have taken one purchase requisition, and the item we can give. For example, for one item we can item. If you have multiple items, we can give for which item we want to create. Then click on enter. It's deleted. You can give. The purchase requisition is not active. That's the system is giving that error. Now we have to give the proper purchase requisition. Otherwise, we can create a purchase requisition now itself. Why should we spend time on this? Let me create a purchase requisition. Okay. See the transaction for creating purchase requisition ME51N. This is the purchase requisition creation screen. Okay. Click on item overview. Now we can create a purchase requisition, and this purchase requisition we can use for the creation of contract. I will create it quickly. The purchase requisition 2870 is the material, and my plant is 1000. Purchasing group is 001. Quantity I want to create for 500 kg. Storage location is 001. And the important details, everything is fine. The main thing is material and quantity, and purchasing group was given. The requisitioner we can write Ganesh, and come to the quantity and all. Okay. Now come to the source of supply tab, where we can assign the vendor. In the fixed vendor, I can give like SC309 is the vendor. The purchasing organization is 1000. Okay. Just execute it. Just click on the check button. System will show you any errors are available. Okay, now there is no error. Now I'm saving the purchase requisition. This purchase requisition I will use now for the creation of contract. The purchase requisition number is 7250. Now I came to the purchase requisition contract creation place. Item I can keep blank because anyway I have one item. Now click on continue. Okay, now system is asking for enter the vendor. The validity end I can keep like 10/06/2017. See, this target value is an optional because we are creating the quantity contract. If it is a value contract, then the target value will be a mandatory. See, this is the details that come from the purchase requisition. This is our purchase requisition number and this is our material number and the quantity is 500. Date, everything it was given. You have to select the line item and then click on adopt details. We are just adopting the details from the purchase requisition to our contract. See, the target quantity is 500 and what is the net order price? You can give €50 per 1 kg and remaining any confirmation control, anything if you want to give, we can give it that. Again, if you go to the conditions tab, same process. If you want to give any discounts, RA00, 5% discount. Okay, this is the process. Now come back. Everything will be looking similar. Only thing is the details have come from the purchase requisition. Now save it. This is the contract creation. The same process if you create it with reference to RFQ, you will just give the RFQ number and the respective details from the RFQ will be copied to the contract. Okay, I hope you understood what is contract and what are the configurations and what the importance of contract and how to configure, how to define the document types, the number ranges, screen layout, and also we learned how to create a contract manually and also with reference to purchase requisition. Okay, thanks for your time. Have a good day. Hi, good evening. Today we will learn how to create a purchase order with reference to another purchase order. Generally, we can create a purchase order manually or we can create a PO with reference to purchase requisition or an RFQ or any contract, and also we can create a purchase order with reference to any old purchase order. Today we will learn how to create a purchase order with reference to old purchase order. Here we have a old purchase order. Just copy the number. To create a PO, the transaction is ME21N. Once we come to the PO screen, if you just drag this item, we know the PO, we have a 3 header, item overview and item details. Go to item overview and just drag it. Here we can see the purchase requisition and its item and contract, its item, and also any central contract and its item, request for quotation and item. If you want to create any of these references, we can give there, but now we are going to create a PO with reference to old PO. You just paste the PO here. If PO is having multiple items, we have to enter each item like this. If you have only single item, you can give the PO number. If you have a single item number is not a mandatory. If you give or if you won't give, system won't feel any difference in that because we have a single item. Just click enter. Once you click enter, the system will copy all the details from the purchasing order, the details like the document type and the purchasing organization and the quantity, all the details will be copied from the old purchase order. If you want to change the vendor, you can change it, or you can have the same details. If you want to change any other details, you can change the details, but the entire details will be copied from the reference purchase order. This is an easy method to create a PO, similar POs. For example, you have a old PO which is having the similar requirement you got from the business. Then if you want to create a new PO, this method can be utilized. It is an easy method without entering all the details manually. Whatever the details you want to change, those details you can change it. I hope you understand the requirement. I hope you understand how to create a PO from old PO. Thanks for your time.
Hi friends, good morning. Today I'm going to discuss and I want to give some details about storage bin master data in warehouse management. Storage bin master is one of the key masters in warehouse management. This is the smallest unit in warehouse where we keep the materials. After our inventory management, when the storage location is stopped at inventory management, we will have the warehouse number, and then we will have storage types, storage section. Under that, the smallest unit, which we call it as the storage bin. The storage bin can be a room, or can be a rack, or can be a place on the floor. It depends upon the warehouse structure, whether it's a bulk structure, bulk storage, or else it's a open storage. A room can be called as a bin, or else a complete floor, we can call it as a fixed bin. If it is a bulk structure, bulk storage kind of warehouse structure, at that time on a floor we can segregate that complete floor into 10 or 20 bins. Finally, the storage bin is the smallest unit space in the warehouse where we exactly store the material. As per storage bin, we can easily identify where exactly the material is stored. If you see the definition or the storage bin structure, see what we are seeing here in the right hand side, this is the racking system. We call it as a high rack, and when we are keeping that as per storage section, we can keep fast moving materials at the low and slow moving materials at the top. That we can, according to the storage section, we can differentiate, because that will be flexible when you want to do picking process. Okay, as per the picking process, we can keep that segregation during the placement of the stock. This is another kind of a racking system where we keep the materials on the racks, and here we can observe the floor. Okay, this floor we can generally use for the pallet or block storage, where we can keep directly the pallets on the floor, and that we can mark it as a different bins. Okay. The storage bins can be created as per the business requirement. If they want any specific naming, until 10 characters we can have the storage bin. It can be alphanumeric or a numeric, and also with hyphen. Okay, and we can have a specific structure we can define, or else we can create the storage bin directly according to the requirement, or else we can define a specific structure. If we have a specific structure, the usage is we can create multiple bins at a time with SAP standard transaction code. Okay, those things we will see in SAP system. The first of all, storage bin is the smallest unit where we can see it can be a floor, it can be a small box in a rack, or else it can be in a rack, a small space, or else it's a completely room. We can call it as a open storage bin, or else each room can be called as a fixed bin. Specific materials can be stored in that fixed bin. Okay, the storage bin can be any kind of these what I have explained. We cannot tell storage bin is a small or a big. Okay, storage bin according to the business requirement, how they want to store the material. According to that, we need to define respective strategy, and then the bin structure can be defined. Now we'll see in SAP system how we can where we exactly do the storage bin and all. Okay. Now coming to the storage bin, first we'll go to SPRO. Any specific configuration we have, logistic execution. You can see this logistic execution. Under that, warehouse management. Here, if you go to the master data, here we can see the storage types, sections which comes under the organization structure. Okay, under that, if you go to the storage bins, here we have mainly the 3 config nodes for storage bins. The first one is the storage bin type. We need to tell system what are the my warehouse number G01. If you see that we can differentiate what are the block size 1, block size 2, okay, what kind of storage bin type, and we can tell this bin height, hierarchy system, okay, height 1 meter bin, 2 meter bins, 3 meter bins, okay, we can segregate into different types of bins. Under bin height 1 meter, we can create 40 or 100, how many bins are available. In the same way, bin height 3 meters. During when you are keeping the respective material, we can differentiate in which bin you want to keep it. You want to keep in 3 meter height. If the material height is more, we prefer to keep in the bins which have 3 meters height. Okay, for 1 meter. According to the material, we will tell system as per the strategy, I want to keep in this 3 meters and 2 meters and all. That we can learn during the strategies and the stock placements in that area. Mainly the storage bin type will be used to segregate type of hierarchs or floor bins, hierarch bins. In that hierarch, if we have different kind of racking, 1 meter racking, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, then we can have multiple types of storage bin types. Then we'll see this blocking reason. The blocking reason mainly when you want to block storage bin for a specific reason. Blocking reason, like we can say maintenance work. Like we can say that due to maintenance work, you want to stop the placement on that. Okay, or else we can keep another one is we can say like a specific business, special business requirement. Due to special business requirement, you don't want to issue that respective goods from that bin to any sales and all. You want to block that bin for certain point of time. Okay. We can create our own request. Another one is storage bin structure. This is a storage bin structure. If you have a bin structure for the specific thing, then we can create multiple bins at a time. Okay, and also when you want to create bins in online, where during the go live, when you want to create multiple bins, the structure will be helpful. Or else we need to create the bin one by one. That there we have to handle with LSMW or any kind of upload method. Okay, for the process, I will explain you any one kind of bin. I will take it, just copy it, and storage type P2. Block structure I want to show. Sequence will say the same. I want to use the same numbering. I just want to change to 20. Okay, increment is same. 200112 to 2010. This is the bin naming. You can save the configuration. Now I want to create a multiple bins for this. Then you can go to display. This is the where we can see that bin height, what is the maximum weight, and all. We can see the data. We'll use the block size. Okay, it's a bulk storage area, so that we use the block size. We don't have to keep any maximum bin. Maximum weight is not required. Now we can create the bin. See, when you click on the create bin, system is showing that these are the bins are going to be generated. Total 100 bins are going to be generated. You can create here, create storage locations online. Yes. See, this being created will be changed to 100 bins are created. Now, how can we check that? We can go to table level if you want to see. Go to the table LAGP. Give the warehouse number and storage type. Here we can see the bins which we created. Okay. Or else /n LX01 SAP standard T code, where we can see the list of empty bins. WP2. Here we can see the respective bins and all. What are the bins are created? Here we can see the bins, the storage type, and the empty bins and all we can see in the LX01. This is about the storage bin creation. The individual bin we can create with transaction code LS01N. For example, here we can see that TT010. Okay, storage section. We can select what kind of section, and the bin type, block size 1, no maximum weight are required. Okay. Now you can save it. This is the manually, if you want to create a single bin, we use this method. Change, the T code is LS02N. Here we can see that. If you want to make any changes, here we can see that. Display LS03N. Now, when it comes to the bin, we need to learn one more point, that is blocking. What is the use of a blocking? As I mentioned, put away block means you want to stop the respective bin from placing the new goods. We may use during any maintenance purpose, or else there are some specific goods you don't want to mix any other materials into that bin, so that you want to stop any new placement into that bin for a time being. Okay, it can be any kind of a business reason. We can stop the put away block. And another thing is removal block. In a bin, there are certain materials, okay, which might be having some kind of analysis or any other business reasons, or else it's a very critical material, and you want to do some R&D on that. or else that materials are specific for certain customer, you want to send to that specific customer only, so that the system should not allow them to do the picking of that materials which are stored in that bin. Okay, and you want to deliver that goods to that customer in the month of March, so that in February, if you want to do any kind of picking process, you want to avoid the picking process from that specific bin, so that we can keep the stock removal block. For a certain single bin, if you want to do the same activity, we can use in the same ls0 to n. See here, if you keep the put away block, and blocking reason we can keep it the maintenance for current kind of thing. So you can see this put away red mark. Same when you want to keep for a removal block, you can see this here. You stop removal block also, we can see that what kind of block it is available. And compared to that, we have specific transaction code for block or unblock several storage bins simultaneously, not for single one. You want to do for bulk. At that time, we have ls06. You can give the warehouse number and the storage type. It will display all the bins. Okay. Here you can select what kind of blocking you want to do. Okay. See, for example, I want to block this bin. Click on display. Details we can see here. And here the block or unblock. You click on the block, system will ask you whether you want to keep the put away block or removal block. Okay. You want to keep put away block. Maintenance work. See here, put away block is there, and the reason is maintenance work. Generally, we can block for put away or block for removal. According to the requirement, we can make that kind of blocking. This is about the master data of storage bin, how we can create bulk with ls10, that how we have seen in the structure, and according to that we can generate. Or else we can create with ls01n, and we can create a small lsnw for ls01n, and we can create multiple storage bins at a time. So any of these two methods we can follow to create the storage bins. Okay. The storage bins, as I told you, it can be high rack, it can be bulk block structure, we can do the bulk storage type. The pallets, where we can keep the pallets on the floor, and the fixed bin, each room, this room for chemicals, this room for the certain product, okay, this room for the furniture items. So like that we can fix specific bins also at the material master level. Okay. This is about the storage bin. Thanks for your time.
We can go to logistics, material management, service master, service C. The T code is AC03. Double click on the T code. You will get this screen. This is the service master creation screen. Like here you can see activity number. Activity number means the number, the service number, which is going to be created automatically by the system, because we have selected the internal number. This is the service line description, and this is the service category, like what we have created. We are going to give that. This is unit of measurement. Here you can see one option called short text change allowed. If you activate this, what will happen? We can change the short text directly when you create the PO or PR. For example, here I have given like pump performance test efficiency. There you can remove that and you can keep like pump performance immediate testing or pump performance critical testing. Like that, if you want to change anything, that facility won't be available for material, but in case of services, that would be required, because the service is not a specific activity, right? For example, painting is an activity, but painting of wall, painting of room, or painting of vehicles, or it may be any kind of thing. So that's why we have this, the SAP has provided this option to change the short text. Now the deletion indicator is if you want to delete the service line which you want to use for any other activities, then we can use the deletion indicator. This is the material service group, just now what we have created, right? That we can select here. This is the valuation class. How we assign in material master accounting view, like that we assign the valuation class here. The division also we can give. These are the important fields. For example, if you want to maintain certain long text for the services, like every month we have to do this maintenance activity, repairing activity on a pro rata basis, like that. If you want to give any additional text, we can give here. And you will slowly come to know the fields of formula and all. Certain services we can convert the formula. For example, 1 square feet means how many meters, or certain time, like 1 year means 365 days, 2 years means 730. That whatever the different type of conversions you can maintain with this formula. You can see this purchasing data. Here we can give any purchasing status and all. These are the important fields. Now I will create one service master. To create a new service master, you directly go to this icon, create new service. Once you click on this new service, system will give this screen. You can see here activity number. We don't give anything. System will automatically propose, because our number range is the internal number range. We can give like test repair of AC. Okay. Service category is the mandatory. That's why you can see this field like mandatory field. What we our test services is our service category, and you can see like material group we have given as a mandatory. I think you hope you have remembered. That's the system is asking that as a mandatory. Click on F4 and select the service which we create. We have created Z service group 1, right? This is our service group. We can select it. Unit of measurement repair of AC may be hours. Click on F4. If you want to give an hour basis, or you can give for each AC mission how much money you want to pay, or time. Check on the unit of measurement how you want to handle the prices and all, or that respect to unit of measurement we can give. Given that it has our the valuation class, we can give any valuation, for example services. Short text change allowed, I have checked that one, because in services test repair of AC, maybe test repair of AC, test repair of admin department AC, like that. If you want to write something, we can have. Okay. That's why I have selected that short text change allowed. Now in long text we can give like repair, basic repair of AC, AC. Like that, if you want to write any additional things, we can write the long text. Then click on save. See, service master was created. See, now you can see the display of the service master, the test repair of AC, the expert details, about the base unit of measurement, the mid service group, everything we can see these details and all. Okay. Like that we can create, if it is an extra number range, here we have to give manually the respect to service number. If it is input, system only will propose the value automatically. Like that we have to select it, and as per that we can do that activities. And now I hope you understand the basic creation of service master, how we use in service master in procurement. That will be explained during the service procurement class.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button. You will see at the bottom of the video, and click on subscribe button, and if you click on this bell icon, you can give all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification immediately, so that you don't have to miss any of my new videos. And see, once you watch the video, if you really like the video and the content is helpful for your learning, don't forget to click on the like button. That will encourage to the YouTuber, not only myself, any videos. You may watch some ABAP videos, you may watch some S4HANA videos, any kind of videos on the YouTube. You just hit a like. It takes 1 second of your time, but it helps a lot with the person. And you can use this share button. You can use the share button to share with Telegram or Facebook or any kind of social networks. And if you see this description, in the description, you can check my different playlists. Okay, I mentioned all the purchasing, inventory management, discussion, WM videos. So you can use this playlist to check my videos, and you can update your skills. Thanks for your time. All the best for your future endeavors.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Hi, good evening everyone. In this video, I will tell you about SAP standard inventory report. Many of you are aware, or if you don't know that, it's good to know about this SAP standard transaction code. How to know the list of cancelled material documents along with the original document. Do we have any such kind of SAP standard report to get the list of cancelled material documents along with original document? You can get from MSEC table and the table wise. Yes, there is a SAP standard report which I am going to show you now. This report can be used to get the list of cancelled documents along with the posting date and the original document, all the information. Let us check the report now. The report is MBSM. MBSM. MBSM is a SAP standard report which is used to get the list of cancelled documents along with the reference original document. Okay, we can see here where it is available. Subsequent master data, material management, master data, subsequent settlement, environment, and here we have cancelled material document. So I will pass my plant, okay, and posting date, let us give 16 to 18 and execute it. So here we can see the report contains the material document. Okay, for example, this is the material document 1 or 2, which is a cancelled document, and document here, item, material, the which moment type, plant, storage location. Now here we can see the original material document when it was posted and when it was posted. See here, this was posted on 20. And now we can see here this document 101. This is the original document which was cancelled. For example, you can see here, this is the document 561, the original document, and which was cancelled document is 562. From the same screen itself, we can navigate related finance documents. So at the single report, we can see the old document and the new document. Okay, and if you want to see the accounting entries, you can see from the same screen. You can use the FIFO documents tab to navigate to the accounting entries. This is 562, BSX credit, and JBB is debit. If you see this current layout, there are 2 more fields also, you can add it here. The quantity and end of measure, anyway it is available in both the cases. It's a cancelled document, so both quantity will be equal. Okay, and this is the material document, where it's posted and what time it was posted. All details we can see here. Okay, these details we can utilize for to get the list of cancelled material documents based on the posting date and respective plant and respective material, and which user has cancelled, for what the user, based on username also we can get the cancelled data and all. Okay. So I hope for this report we can come to know that cancelled material documents, if you want to know, you don't have to go for a table and collect the data. We can get from this standard report, MBSM, and you can check for multiple documents and cancel and which posting date, based on posting date and all you can verify, and you can use this document to see the cancelled material documents. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button. You will see at the bottom of the video, and click on the subscribe button, and if you click on this bell icon, you can give all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification immediately, so that you don't have to miss any of my new videos. And see, once you watch the video, if you really like the video and the content is helpful for your learning, don't forget to click on the like button. that will encourage the YouTuber, not only myself, any videos. You may watch some ABAP videos, you may watch some S4HANA videos, any kind of videos on the YouTube. You just hit a like. It takes 1 second of your time, but it helps a lot with the person. And you can use this share button. You can use the share button to share with Telegram or Facebook or any kind of social networks. And if you see this description, in the description, you can check my different playlists. Okay, I mentioned all the purchasing, inventory management, discussion, WM videos. So you can use this playlist to check my videos and you can update your skills. Thanks for your time. All the best for your future endeavors.
Hi everyone. I hope all of you are doing good and safe. First time in my YouTube channel. Always think you have been hearing my voice for almost 5 years. When I got my 500 subscribers in the first year, I didn't even expect that I will get 10,000 subscribers in my lifetime of YouTube channel. But you made it happen. Today, we achieved the 10,000 subscribers because of all of your support. I'm very happy for that, and because of your support and your confidence when I got job in Singapore in 2017. I keep uploading my videos and I will share my knowledge as per my available time. And once again, thanks to each and everyone for your strong support. When I see the comments, and it's like a lot of pleasure moment, because the person as an introvert person who works and who sits in his job, and today interacting with these many people across the world. As of now, my YouTube channel was accessed in 55 plus countries, and many people from different countries. I can see the comments. Some of the comments I was not able to reply because I'm also full-time employee and I need to do my job, and according to my free time and based on the passion, I used to access and I used to interact with people, and I put some premieres of videos. And especially in the lockdown time, I uploaded 25 plus videos to help you more people who are sitting at the home to enhance their knowledge. And thanks to each and everyone again for giving me the best and the biggest moment in YouTube. 10,000 subscribers for a technical YouTube channel which is being run by a single person who is a full-time employee too. Thanks again and all the best, and I will do my best by sharing knowledge according to my available time and knowledge and skills. Help each other whatever you can. You make a video or you make a document, or you saw the document or you saw the video. If you feel it's good, share with people. Help each other. Once again, thanks everyone. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Omkar Divte. I'm certified SAP MM WM consultant. I'm currently based out of Pune in India. I'm working in one of the MNCs as SAP MM consultant. So yeah, just to tell you about Ganesh sir's YouTube channel and his website, ganeshsapscm.com. So when I was in my final year, or when I was fresher, I was really very confused, like which YouTube channel should I study from, where website. I was very confused at that time. So one fine day I found Ganesh sir's video on YouTube, and this paved the starting point of my SAP MM journey. So I really like his videos because of his simple explanation. He explains each and every business scenarios, each and every procurement processes, followed by a real example that he has worked. He has extensive experience. So due to which the correlation between what exactly is happening in SAP MM, in SAP system and business transaction, it really helps us to understand what exactly an SAP MM consultant should do. so as to grow up in his as a SAPMM consultant in his career. So I really liked his website too, because his website is as per design, like you will get to know the business processes, the SAPMM support tickets and all. And I just want to congratulate Ganesh sir for reaching the mark of 10K subscribers, and I hope you will continue this making the good videos for all of us and help the youth in the SAP career. And I wish all of the people who are subscribed to his YouTube channel all the best and make a good career in SAP. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Gupta. I am working as a SAP MM consultant with Publicis Sapient. I have joined Ganesh Padala, or you can say Ganesh SAP SCM 4 years back. I have taken all his videos as well as his real-time project videos. The topic has the videos contain all the necessary topics which an MM consultant should aware of. Ganesh has explained each and every topic very nicely, containing all the business scenarios, accounting entries, each and everything. If you are an individual who is preparing for an interview, or you can say you want to join as a fresher, then watching Ganesh Padala videos are must. As per me, he has, he has covered, or you can say he has given all the necessary questions which interview may can ask. Personally, I would like to thank Ganesh Padala, because he is a consultant who not only raised himself, but he has made so many consultants. He has given so many MM consultants to this country. Stay happy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Fawad. I am working on SAP. Currently in US, I have been following Ganesh on the YouTube and on different social media platforms since 2016. He is a great teacher and a mentor, and I have found his videos to be very comprehensive, engrossing, and self-learning ones. I recommend Ganesh videos to anybody who wants to learn SAP MM. I wish him all the best on reaching the 10K subscribers on YouTube. Thanks.
Congratulations. I am very thankful to you for providing us the so many videos, and you are doing a great job. I am very happy. I'm very happy and grateful to you for whatever you are doing for us, and you are giving us the so much of deep knowledge about any particular topic you are providing, and you are giving us the so many new things like which we haven't touched yet in our life. Those topics also we know from your videos. Like every time we cannot get the same issues and everything, but when I go to your videos, like I come to know that this is the first time I'm learning. So I'm so thankful to you, and many congratulations. I'm so happy with whatever you are doing for others. Great job you are doing. Thank you so much.
Myself, Navakumar. I'm working as SAP MM and SD consultant from Bangalore location. The day I met Ganesh Padala, my professional career has been changed from 14th November 2014. I like the way Ganesh Padala teaches tough to understand concepts in a simple way with a simple examples like invoice verification, MM and FI integration. Ganesh helped a lot of people, and he gives us opportunity to help a lot of freshers. Congrats and thank you. All the best to all the subscribers.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Sujata, SAP MM consultant, and I have an experience of 9 years in SAP MM. I'm a regular subscriber of Ganesh YouTube channel and his training videos, and I follow both SAP MM and WM videos. They are the excellent source of knowledge. I think the uniqueness about his videos is they contain all the hidden information and each and every concept is explained in detail. So this is more beneficial to people who doesn't belong to SAP background, and of course it is an advantage for people who have an SAP background. Ganesh, I congratulate you on reaching 10K subscribers and many more to come to your way. You're doing an excellent job. You're spreading knowledge across the world, the SAP world, and the future SAP consultants and the aspirants. Indirectly, you're spreading employment, which is indeed a very excellent job. Keep up the good work. Keep doing. Keep spreading knowledge. God bless you.
Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Nauman, working as MM consultant and living in Bangalore. I subscribed Ganesh Padala videos in 2016. Yes, 110% benefited for me. Each and every video having clear-cut information, especially the implementation part. It's very good information. And congratulations Ganesh for 10,000 subscribers. All the best. Thank you all for who are support and subscribe to Ganesh Padala videos. Congratulations once again. Keep doing more videos. Good luck.
Hello everyone, this is Yashika Nehru. Currently I'm working as an SAP MM consultant. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Ganesh on his success of 10K subscribers. Big congratulations to you and thank you for putting all the hard work you do while making the videos. I came across his videos on YouTube and I subscribe to them and I regularly follow them and they are really helpful for me in learning SAP. I also have got the complete set of his SAP MM videos. They helped me learn SAP right from the scratch and they have really helped me achieve my dream job. Thank you for that, and I would like to say that I really appreciate all the hard work he put while creating the videos, and it's really a blessing for the students like us who want to learn SAP or the students who come from a different background and want to start their career in IT. It's a big blessing for them. Thank you for all your hard work, Ganesh sir, and again for that.
Hello everybody, my name is Neeraj Pathak. I would like to congratulate Mr. Ganesh Padala as his YouTube channel crossed the 10,000 subscribers. I have started my SAP journey in 2017 after subscribing Mr. Ganesh YouTube channel. The videos posted in the channel is precisely explained by him. Mr. Ganesh, you help many people to enter in SAP world. I personally feel if someone wants to start his career in SAP MM and WM, he must subscribe Mr. Ganesh Padala's YouTube channel. Mr. Ganesh, you have changed the life of many persons. Keep doing the good work. A big round of applause for you. Thanks. Neeraj Pathak.
Hi everyone, this is Shweta from London, UK. While I was searching for a job actively in SAP MM, I come across Ganesh's YouTube channel. I found all the videos very helpful. All the videos, topic by topic, are in depth and very knowledgeable. I'm glad that I've come across these videos and I found Ganesh on YouTube. This has definitely helped me with the interviews and cracking the interviews and secure a new job. I personally think Ganesh has put in a lot of efforts in creating these videos and release them out there on YouTube for everyone who's looking for in-depth knowledge of the subject. I personally want to thank Ganesh on his epic success because as a result he has 10,000 subscribers today. So congratulations, Ganesh.
Hi, good morning everyone. Thanks to one and all for 10,000 plus subscribers to my YouTube channel. If you have already watched my part 1 video, I'm very thankful for you. If you have not yet watched the part 1 video, description for the video, and as of now 1500 people have watched the video in 1 week of duration. We are going to meet with this kind of a special video when we meet the milestone of 100,000 views to MMFI integration video. I know that video is special to many of you. Even my market to US, UK and many of the students have joined in 2015 to 2016 just because of MMFI integration video. I hope you also love it. We will meet in that special video after 3 to 4 months. My sincere request to all the people who are preparing for the jobs. Currently the job market is not that great. Please don't go to depression. If you know SAP MM, try to learn S4HANA Logistics or SAP WM, any kind of a module which can give you an added advantage compared to other profiles who is going with single module. And if you have a free time, you are in WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups, if somebody asks the question, feel it like your question. That question is going to be asked in interview for you in future, or else you are going to face such kind of a support ticket in your future job assignment. So you have to feel like that and take your idea system and practice and enhance your skills. And if you feel time, you can conduct some sessions or doubt sessions. Anyway, you have to be in with SAP, either practicing or preparing or conducting any kind of sessions. These kind of things so that it will enhance your knowledge. You don't get a chance to forget the subject as you are not working or you are not preparing continuously. So these kind of different things will help you to enhance knowledge. And please don't go to depression and give few weeks of time. The job market will increase and we are going to get the normal situations. Please be patient and give it time and do your best. Be positive. All the best to all of you. And once again, thanks for this 10,000 subscribers. We are celebrating with different ways. And this video also similar to part 1. But we have a different set of people from different countries to express their congratulations and the wishes to all of us. And watch the video and support us. And check all of my videos by using different playlists and enhance your skills. If you like the videos, and share with your friends in different groups so that many people will get benefit out of those videos. Be happy, be safe. All the best. Thanks again. Bye-bye.